Good afternoon, everybody. It's looking iffy right now. It's looking good. We're above 660, but we have to close the day above 660, or else a lot of the progress today is going to be, it's not going to be worth anything. So, what are the chances looking like, right? What are we looking at? What are the chances for us closing above? And the short interest data, boys. I apologize for my voice. Okay, here we go. I did not bring my water because I'm stupid. I tried to just get here as quickly as possible. Guys, the short interest data is the same. It's the exact same. There's no difference. There is no difference. It's updated every 15 minutes, and there's no update, meaning I think it's the exact same. So short interest data, short share availability, it's 250,000. It's 250,000, man. That's what we got, man. 250,000 short share availability. They have not covered. It's as simple as it freaking gets, man. We have a descending resistance here and a descending support. We have to break out above this before we actually start making higher highs, higher lows. Right now, we're absolutely getting demolished. We have to break out above this descending trend line first. This is what we have to do. That's the first step. Then we can start squeezing the damn shorts, break above 725. I'm honestly hoping for a close above 725 today. We'll see if we actually get it. What are you guys thinking? What is everybody's end of day prediction, man? What is it? What? Okay, you guys tell me your end of day predictions. I'm gonna go run and get my water really fast. 1 second. Oh man. Oh. All right. Here we go. Oh my gosh, my voice is not doing well right now. Okay, here we go. We got a descending level of resistance and descending level of support. We have the exact same short share availability. The exact same. And make sure you are live right now. Make sure you fast forward to actually being live if you're not, okay? It's literally 250,000. Look at this. Look at this crap, all right? It's the exact same. There's nothing else to say. They have not even begun to cover, man. It's not even updated. Do you know why it's not updated yet? Because it's the exact same. I think. I'm actually not sure on that. But to my knowledge, I wish they were clear here. I really wish they were clear here. I mean, let's see if they say anything here. Okay, they don't say anything. They don't say anything. So I don't know. I'm assuming this is what it's looking at right now. Otherwise, it would not make sense, right? It's updated every freaking 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hour, whatever. This is the exact same, man. And it would make perfect sense. They're trying to push it lower. And they've done a good job. Because they're slow profit taking right now. And the volume is nothing. The volume is not. Look at the volume freaking drop off here. It was great volume at the start, great volume throughout the first quarter of the day, first third of the day, and now it's nothing. Now, freaking, let me show you guys something. This is horrible. This is absolutely god awful. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Microvision is doubling us. They're doubling. There's no freaking volume, man. There's nothing. And if people knew about the short interest data here, it would be a GG. People would know about it. Man. But they just don't. No one understands why it's such a damn auspicious buy right now. Look at the data, all right? You're looking at what I'm looking at. Short interest of the float, 20%. That's like the exact same as AMC's, man. According to Fintel.io, out of the shares outstanding is 13%. Either way, whichever one you want to look at, right? I mean, they're just different. The share outstanding is slightly higher, right? That's why it's the percentage is lower. It's a high short interest. The days to cover is getting bigger. The higher the days to cover, the more bullish and the more chances for a short squeeze. Okay, that's something big. Failure to delivers are not huge, but we're fundamentally better right now than we've ever been. The shorts are trying their best. They're trying their best to not get squeezed today, and they've done a good job. Do you know why? Right after I started streaming, it just went to hell. Right after we stopped streaming, it didn't go to hell, right? We're fine. As long as we close the day above 660, I would not be surprised if we touch and go above $7 next week. And guys, this is the key right now. We have to confirm the breakout above this descending level of resistance right here. We have to break out above that. I mean, right now we're up 9%. We got no volume. Our volume is done. Okay, volume is literally right now. Our volume is basically as bad as yesterday's volume. That's literally how we're talking here. We have some buying pressure coming in. The shorts have not covered. We got to break out of this decent level of resistance, and then we can start getting that power hour push, power hour squeeze. Let's go, baby. Come on, power hour squeeze. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to break out of this. We're going to break out of this. You could say this is a bull pennant. You could definitely say that. But as long as we close the day above 660, I'm still extremely bullish for next week. They have not covered at all. They have not covered at all, man. I'm so sorry, man. I really wish I could have streamed the whole day, man. We needed me. I looked at the freaking price action needed me, man. Right when we left, it just boom. Just freaking right off the bat, right out the bat, and it's because this, no one else knows the data, man. I'm telling you, look at this crap, man. It's updated every 5 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever. They're not covering. They think they can push this lower. They think they can get us to close below $7. If we close above $7, mark my words, next week is going to be amazing if the NASDAQ does anything except go down. Anything. Oh, man. Oh, my voice is going to be dead by the end of the day. Oh, my gosh. Bionano didn't even tweet today at all. I know. Man, imagine what would happen if we had anything going. Imagine what we would be doing if we had any favors, man. And here's the thing, dude. Bionano hasn't done anything. Guess what? The markets haven't done us many. I mean, the markets are giving us a chance today, but guess what? The Russell's barely up. If the Russell was up 1%. Oh, are we good now? Oh, my gosh, that's annoying. I'm sorry, boys. The shorts will not freaking shorting the Wi-Fi, man. They're everywhere. The shorts are everywhere. It's like it's not enough for them not to cover and double down on their freaking their positions, but they got to come and freaking screw me over too. Like, damn, bro. All right, are we good? Make sure you're live. Fast forward to being live. I don't want anyone behind thinking we're delayed when we're not. All right, I've got it on ultra low latency. There's basically zero delay. Oh, man, shorting your Wi-Fi too, man. Yeah, shorting my Wi-Fi is just the way to go. It's so bad, man. Dude, it looks like right now we're testing the decent level of resistance. We need to break out and hold the day above 7 for an extremely bullish sign next week, man. It would be insane if we could do that. Even if we can close the day above 660, I'm happy. If we can close above $7, I'm blissful. You know, I'm blissful. And we can, and we should, man. Oh, I hate that. I am going to get a little bit, my voice really hurts right now, so I'm going to try not to get too worked up. But dude, I mean, you guys are seeing the data. I'm going to try to be quiet here. It's just factual. The shorts, they're not even doing it yet. You know what the shorts are doing. They're pushing the price down. They got the fake walls. They're not covering. They're making new short positions, probably. And the freaking naked shorting, the freaking manipulation, they're trying to push us down. They're trying to get us to close below 660. That's what's going on here. There's no other way to explain this, man. There's no other way. Put better internet on your purchase list, Brandon. Yeah, I know. I actually can't upgrade the internet. I actually have the max level of internet that I can get right now. Our neighborhood is upgrading to soon this year, I think. The attendees are here. And I had a question earlier. Should I sell my AMC for Bngo? Well, here's the thing, man. The short interest in both of them are very similar. The volume is not at all. The thing with Bionano is that if you're going to invest right now, here's the thing. I would wait until we break out. If you're gonna invest in Bionano, I would. If you're gonna sell AMC, that's fine. Long term, yes, you definitely want to sell AMC and go Bionano. In my opinion, there's no doubt. Is not even a question. But short term, if you're gonna trade Bionano and add in a new position at these prices, I would wait for a break. I would either wait for a dip or a break, one or the other. Okay, 660 is where I would set your buy limits right now if you want to get in cheaply. I don't know. I don't think we're going to hit that though. To be honest with you, I think we're going to close the day at least 680 or above. I would not be surprised if we do see a rally in the power hour. I would not be surprised at all. If people could get their head out of their arse and just look at the freaking data, we would. I mean, there's a short squeeze on the horizon. There is a short squeeze on the horizon, my friends. I promise you. As soon as you left and changed suit, man, you might. Oh man. I might have to live in that suit, man. I know. Oh, I know. I may have to. You can never leave again. Stock drop after you left. Oh, man, I don't want to leave. After next week, I can freaking stream all day, every day. Seriously, I will. I'll try my best. I mean, I might die. As long as my health lets me, I will. I will. I promise you, man. Where have you been? I know. I know. I wish I could. I wish I could. I wish I would have been streaming this whole time. If I would have kept streaming, we would be at freaking $8 by now. Oh man, right after we ended, freaking dumped to the downside right away. We held $7 for a little bit, but guess what? Nano Dimension, Microvision, they took our volume. Look at this, man. We were easily beating them. Now Microvision's doubling us almost. They're doubling our volume. This is a problem, and it's a big problem because not only are they missing out, but we have a short squeeze ready to go. It's ready. It is ready to happen. It's just, do we want to take it? Do you want to reach out and take what the shorts have given us today? Right now, no. It's just slow ass profit taking right now. We need a break above this decent level of resistance first. That's the first step. Oh my gosh, man. We got rejected though. We got rejected pretty much perfectly at this level. You know, I mean, this was your sell. I mean, I told you earlier, right? This is why I say so many times, sell if you're not willing to go red. Sell if you're not willing to go through carnage for the ultimate goal. The Fellowship of the Sapphire is strong, but it's not for everybody. We will prevail. I know. The moment you left, it shut up. No, I blame Ohio. Oh, man, that's too funny. That's too funny, man. Yeah, they freaking ruined it, man. They came here and they screwed it up. Yeah, holding 150,000 worth of Bngo won't sell until 20 at least. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. 684 right now, up 8%. Selling pressure's in. We got to break above this level. That's the first step. We got to break above this level. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let me look at the 4 hourly. Let me see if we have anything here. Oh, we're not even close to hourly. I'm sorry, guys. My voice is hurting right now. I'm not going to be as energetic as usual. I'm sorry. I was just talking for like a couple hours in a row. There's nothing really here. Let me look right here. 30-minute. Okay, this might be our saving grace. 30-minute Bollinger Band, 21 SMA on the 30-minute time frame. If this can rise and meet us at about 272 or 672 before the close, we can get a bounce off that, then break out. We can maybe do that. Maybe we can do that. Hopefully, hammer candle right here potentially. Tell your parents visiting hours are from Saturday to Sunday. Oh man. Oh man, I know everybody just stopped. It's just been a slow bleed. I mean, we've got a descending wedge. There's no other way to say it, man. We got descending resistance, but the good news, here's the good news, guys. Not only are we gonna most likely, and when I say most likely, I mean we're very likely to hold above, this 660 level, right? We're very likely to close above that. But if we could close above 7, oh my gosh, do I have the hiccups? I'm running out of water too. Damn. Damn it, man. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. I hope I don't keep getting the hiccups. That's going to be a problem. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Descending level of resistance. We got to break above this first, but it's not necessarily bearish if we don't break above this. As long as we close the day above 660, it's the first time we will close the day above the descending level of resistance. And guys, this is a little bit weird and this is a little bit speculative, but guess what? This is some sort of a very messed up, a very jacked up symmetrical triangle. How do you draw up the price target? Well, I would say this is how you would draw it up. Right here. Right here. This is technically, I'm not predicting this. I'm just telling you this is what the price target is. I'm just telling you the facts, all right? Let me make this, let me put this, if I can move it here. Let me move this right there. Right at the breakout. Technically, I'm not predicting this. I am predicting this if the market's going to be on in our favor, but I don't know if it is. This is the price target. I'm not predicting this though, okay? But it is $8. It's $9. $9 is the price target based on the bull pennant, right? But it would kind of be to. But actually, well, no, I was gonna say it would be to the downside, but we already broke to the upside, so never mind. 684 right now. It was such an awesome day, and now it's just boring because there's no volume. Look at the volume difference. I want to pull up the volume chart here. Let me zoom in here for you. All right, I want to show you guys something. Look at this. This is a problem, all right? This is like when we left the stream about right in here. This is basically when we left the stream. I mean, it's just been awful. It's just been awful, and we have nothing now. We have absolutely no volume. Do we even have enough volume to freaking break out of this descending level of resistance here? I don't even know. Okay, or look on the bright side. Okay, we're consolidating. We got a bull, some sort of a very crappy, way too long bull flag that could break to the upside pretty soon. We've got power hour. We've got 51 minutes left. Power hour can send us to close the day above 7. 7 is the goal. 7 is the realistic goal to close the day above. The optimist goal is going to be 730. It's about 720, about 725. We can close, even if we can close in this level of resistance. Okay, I don't care if we can just close anywhere in this or above that. That's the optimist goal, right? So $7. We need to close above that to be super bullish. At least 660. We have to close the day above 660. If we don't close the day above 660, today is just for nothing. Kind of, not really, but kind of. 660. We have to close above that. $7 would be very nice. 725. That would be amazing for next week, right? Pick me up, Brandon Nines. We're on the way to you, my brother. We're on the way. We're on the way. Mark my words, we're on the way. I just don't know when. I don't know when. You may have to wait a while. It might be next week, okay? I don't know. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you I know when, but we're on the way to pick you up if I am at all right about the company. At all. Whatsoever, even in the same ballpark or realm with the revenue estimates or the Sapphire use, we are on the way to pick you up. Mark my words. It's as simple as it gets. Let me look at the short data. Anyone that's just getting in here right now, short share availability. It's not even different. There's no other way to say it. It's not even different. It's the exact same. It's updated every 15 minutes to my knowledge, to my understanding. It's the exact same because it's updated every 15 minutes. If it was different, since it was updated, since it's not going to be, since we don't have a new row here, it's the same, right? Because it's updated every 5 minutes. So, AKA ape language shorts have not even covered at all, man. At all. That's insanity. Isn't that just insanity? And that makes me kind of think that this is not really an accurate thing, but I'm not sure. But anyways, nonetheless, to our last knowledge, based on the last update here, even if the little update thing is wrong, even if that is wrong, still, the shorts, there's no covering going on right now. There's nothing. And guys, I told you this earlier. I'm going to say it again. The longer we stay above 660, the longer we stay in the green, as long as we're up 8%, 7%, 5% even, okay? The more time and the more risky it gets to continue holding that short position. We're in power hour. The stream is back. We've got the power. We need to get more viewers in here right now. For some reason, we have no viewers because my freaking Wi-Fi, they freaking shorted the stream, man. They're screwing us over. They freaking shorted the dang stream. Freaking manipulators, man. They're pulling everything out of there. They're freaking pulling stuff out of their arse, trying to freaking keep Bionano down, bro. Trying to do everything they can. It doesn't matter though. It doesn't matter. The Bionano fundamentals is at the end of the day, the fundamentals. That's what binds us together. That's what gives us. That's what binds us, man. That's what binds us. The shorts don't have fundamentals on this side, okay? The longer they hold those positions, the borrow fee rate is going to rise. The days to cover has been rising. Guys, a higher days to cover is better. A higher days to cover means it's more likely to get a squeeze, guys. And the days to cover just increased. Look at this data right here, all right? I'm not making this up. Premium Fintel, you're welcome. Days to cover. It was at freaking $2 at 2 and 1 days to cover. Now it's at 3.32. Come on. You can't make this stuff up. 20% short of the float. 20% shorted, man. That's the float. The short share availability is only 250,000. The exact same as since we left it. The exact same. Oh, man, this is so frustrating. There's no volume. Freaking Microvision and Nano Dimension. I like both of those stocks a lot. I really do like them both, but they're freaking negatively. I mean, they're doing great today. I like that they're doing great, but the volume, they're freaking taking away from Bionano's volume. All right, let's be honest. They're both great companies, especially Microvision, but these guys can't freaking compete with Bionano. Come on now. We all know that Bionano should have the highest freaking volume, at least higher than what it usually gets. Come on now. Especially on a day like this. Look at the freaking data, man. No one watches these streams though. Whenever this channel does well, I'm telling you, Bionano is going to do well. Bionano is going to benefit from this channel doing well. A little bit buying pressure. Oh, it's just not enough. It's not enough. We're trying to break out. Of this level right now, man. Yeah, we are over the average volume right now. Average volume is 24 million for the last 3 months. We are above. We got 26 million in total volume for Bionano right now. It's not looking bad, but dude, we we need big volume here on these 5-minute candles to break out of this descending level. We have struggled. To break out. We're just getting killed right now. We're getting killed. We got to break out above this, and then we got to take down that 695's fake sell wall. Okay, honestly, it's fake, so we don't even have to take it down. It takes itself out for us, right? But we got to get there. We got to get to that wall to begin with. That's the only way it's going to get out. We got to get some buyer step in here. We got to get some power hour volume in here. That's the only way we're going to close above 7. End of day prediction for me, I would love 7. 7 would be so nice. Above 7 would be great. We'll see what happens. It just comes down to the shorts and how many. I mean, it's pretty much just a gamble. I mean, it is a little bit of a bull flag. If we can confirm the breakout here, I would not be surprised if we. I think there's a high chance if we confirm the breakout above this descending crappy. The worst freaking level of resistance ever. If we can break out above this, and then if we can confirm that breakout, I think we'll close above 7. I think we will. No, you're wrong. Here's why you're wrong. Okay, I respect that opinion, Ian, but here's why you're wrong. Okay, fundamentally, Bionano has gone down way more. Bionano, I'll be conservative. Let's just say Bionano and Microvision have gone down the exact same percent. All right, let's just say they've gone down the exact since February 16th. It's not true. Microvision has done better. Here's why it's dumb that Bionano doesn't get any volume. Fundamentally, Bionano's increases in the company is like freaking triple what Microvision has had since February 16th. The HoloLens deal was great. They're getting new specs for the LiDAR and everything else. It's great. Microvision's doing great. Guess what? They're not even close to Bionano. Do you know why? One word, my friend. Nano nozzle. Basically confirmed since February 16th. There wasn't any freaking confirmations before February 16th. You can't tell me that Microvision should have freaking more interest than Bionano right now. You got to be kidding me. I'm sorry. I don't mean to get mad at you. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at the freaking shorts, Ian. I'm using your comment to freaking get the shorts. That's who I'm really mad at. So, anyways, yeah, we are breaking out. We're trying to break out right now. Here we go. 10,000 shares just bought 684. Oh boy. Here we go. We need to break out above this. Let's go. Should I put the suit on? Do you guys want me to go run and put the suit on? I will if you want. It's gonna take like 2 minutes, but I'll do it if you want. You want me to put the suit on right now? Brandon, one favor, please. What you see as support and resistance right now? This is the support and resistance for Bionano right now. This is it. We gotta break out above this descending level. We gotta hold where we are right now. And then if we do that, if we get some volume coming in, dude, we're gonna close above 7. It's as simple as it gets, man. It's gonna happen, I think. Yes, I'll do it. I swear to God, I'll do it. You think I'm joking right now? I would do it. I will do it if you want. I would do it. Naked is better. What? It's like mixed right now. I'm not gonna do it unless we get a lot of yeses. 10,000, another 10,000 just bought. There we go. There's a buying pressure. Yes. Burn those damn shorts. You guys, that's an order. Off with the damn shorts head. 685. Yes. We need to break out. Confirm the breakout above this, and we're looking very good. Yes. There it is. Come on. Hold. Hammer candle. Hammer candlestick. Yes. There it is. Right now. Come on, boys. The shorts are there for us to squeeze, man. They are there. They are there for us. They are there. It's time to buy, my friend. It's time to buy. Come on. The markets do us any favors. We're going to close the day above $7. I swear to God. Here we go, boys. Here we go, right? We start streaming and we break out. Let's go. We are the good luck charm. I mean, I'm streaming 24/7 from now on. We are always streaming when the market is open. 686. Look at that buying pressure. Coming in. Take that, you freaking shorts. We're burning you. We're burning that portfolio. Let me show everybody who's getting in here right now. I want to show you something. This is called the short share availability. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. It's 250,000. It's the exact same as we saw earlier, man. What is this? The ape language. The shorts have not freaking covered, man. They think they're going to manipulate this down. They think they can have us have a slow bleed. It's not going to happen. It's not going to, not if I have anything to say with that. Guys, I'm telling you, the shorts have not covered. The markets do us any favors. We get a nice power hour, dude. $7 above $7 close, man. Everyone buy one share. You want to do it? I'll buy one share right now. Do y'all want to buy one share with me? I'll do it right now. 687. I'll buy one share right now. Are y'all with me? I'm gonna buy one share right now. I'm with the cause. If you guys are gonna match me on this, though, you got to know what you're doing. Okay, all right, you got to know what you're doing. We are trying to get the day to close. We're trying to close the day above $7. Above $7, man. Is the hat the good luck charm? You think the hat is the good luck? Yes. I match you. All right, let's do it, man. Let's do it. All right, here we go. I'm doing it right now. Well, are we ready? Is everybody ready? I'm going to give everybody like 30 seconds to get ready here. One share. I'm going to buy one share. If y'all are ready. All right, And let me make it clear what we're doing right now. We're not trying to pump and dump. Let me make it clear for all the new viewers here. We are trying to get the volume back in, get the interest back in, and get these shorts to freaking squeeze. We're trying to burn them. They're trying to burn us. They're trying to burn healthcare revolutions. They've suppressed the price artificially since February 16th and before. It's proven. Short ladder attacks, borrow, freaking naked shorting, man. Paying off journalists to freaking, to write bullshit and write lies. This is proven. This is absolutely proven. We're trying to fight that stuff. We're trying to fight this. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. Right now, I'm putting an order in right now. It's 686 right now. One share. Let's go. Let's go, man. Right now. One share. Boom. Let's place it. Boom. One share. 686. Let's go. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. Did it fill? Let me make sure that just filled. Hold on. It didn't work. Hold on. Oh, there it is. There it is. 686. I'm in. 686. That's my order right there. Hold on. Let me move this up. Let me move this up. No, no, no. I'm moving this up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know I'm moving this up. Yep. 688. Let's go. I don't care. I don't care if this dips back down to 86. We're trying to pump this freaking thing above $7. Close the day above $7, baby. That's what we're doing. $7. We got to go above that. We got to close the day above $7, man. That's what we got to do. The shorts, if we get above 7 before the close, imagine this. Let me give you a scenario right now. The shorts freaking, let me give you a scenario, all right? We close the day above 7 without the shorts covering. What are they going to do before the close? Well, here's the thing. If we do close above 7, it doesn't take a genius, guys. If we close the day above 7, do you know how bullish that is for next week? Do you even comprehend how bullish that is? Do you even understand it? Okay? I can give you the technical analysis right now. I'm going to before we end here, but let me just tell you the ape language, guys. The shorts, some of them, if not a lot of them, are going to cover, man. It's just too risky. It's too risky. The borrow fee rate is going up. The days to cover is going up. The short share availability is not moving. It's not moving. They can't hold us down. They cannot hold us down, man. If we close the day above 7, this could get very spicy in the after hours, power hour, or next week at the latest. At the latest, man. It's as simple as it gets. As simple as it gets, man. We're trying to confirm the breakout right now. We need to go sideways or up from here. We got to hold. We got to hold right now or go up. We got the buying pressure coming in. Salute to everybody who actually matched me there. Please, I hope you know what you're doing. I told everybody only buy, only match if you know what you're doing. Oh, man. Here we go. Here we go, man. Here we go. 689. 689. We got to close the day above $7. That's what we got to do. 660 at the lowest. We're already going to do that, okay? Who at this point, is there anyone that thinks we're not going to do that? No, okay? Why? The shorts haven't freaking covered yet, and we're still running. They have not even done it at all. Not even the freaking intraday short traders. They have not covered. They're so arrogant. They're so arrogant. That's the only explanation. They really think they're going to manipulate this down. They really think they can hold us down. I guess they do. That's the only explanation, man. That's the only explanation. Come on. Selling pressure's in, man. We got to hold this. We got to hold this. We got 40 minutes, 39 minutes till the close. Oh, man, we got a little bit of a volume pump, but not really. We got a little bit of a volume pump, but not enough. Not enough. Not nearly enough. But we are breaking out of this descending resistance right now. That's the first step. I said that's the first step, and it is. It is the first step to getting to $7. Now, the second step is holding and confirming the breakout, dude. That's the second step. Oh, man. Oh, man, 686, 686. If we come down here, we got to confirm this is the new support. It's not the end of the world if we come back here to this descending level of support now. We got to bounce off of it, though. If we do, we got to bounce off of it. That's actually a really good entry point. You know what? You know what? I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. If we do bleed here, I'm putting in an order for 10 shares. I'm putting in an order for 10 shares, man. It's as simple as it gets, man. Here we go. Let me get this in here. 683, that's what I'm doing. I'm telling you guys, if we close above 7, I think it's very bullish for next week. I could be totally wrong, and we can freaking open up tomorrow with the NASDAQ gapping down. We can open up at freaking $5 or $3. Okay, anything can happen, but this is very bullish if we close above $7. If we close above 7, it is insane. It is insane for next week. It is. If we get some volume, if we could just get a little bit of power hour volume, if Microvision could stop taking all of our damn volume. Just a little bit. We just need a little bit, man. We just need a little bit of volume, dude. If people knew about the shorts, they would. They already would. If people knew about the shorts, we would already freaking have that volume, but we just don't because no one cares about Bionano because the tech is too complicated. Yeah, whatever. Okay, it's not. If you actually do your research, it's really not that complicated, man. 686 right now. Oh, it's fine. We can go sideways here. That's fine. Let's turn this into a hammer, though. Let's turn this into a hammer. Let's start making higher highs, higher lows. Come on now. Sold AMC buying 4,555 shares of Bngo. This is what we're about to do to the shorts, man. We're gonna burn you. We're gonna burn that portfolio. We already have burned that portfolio today. If they have any sense, we're gonna burn them here at the end. I would not be surprised if we get a power hour pump here, or the bear case happens and we freaking close barely above 660. Whatever, man. As long as we close above 660, it's extremely bullish for next week. That's why I'm okay with adding shares here today, man. That's why I'm okay with it. Please have buying power and please know what you're doing, though. There are serious market headwinds, okay? But here's the thing. Here's why it's so bullish. Look at this, all right? The price target of this symmetrical triangle is freaking $9. It's $9. I mean, it's as simple as you get, man. It's as simple as it gets. Look at this. The descending level of resistance. We have not broken above this basically ever, okay? This was a false breakout. We are closing the day above it right now. If we close above 687 right now. 687, we're holding. We're holding. No volume at all, man. No volume whatsoever. At all, man. That buying pressure is coming in, though. They can't stop. I honestly, I would not be surprised if we close the day above 7. I would not be surprised at all. We really should. We really should. Here's the thing, guys. The short shares, it just makes sense. Going into the weekend, if you're a short, you got to put yourself in the short position. This is why I'm so bullish. Think about this. Stay with me here. This is going to take like a 2-minute explanation maybe, all right? If you're a short, not 2 minutes. Why would you hold through the weekend on a company that's so volatile like Bionano? If you're a short, you've already made some money historically. If you've been shorting Bionano for like 3 months since February 16th, why would you take that risk of holding a company that runs on news, a biotech, biopharmaceutical-like company like Bngo? Why would you do that? Why would you do that, man? There's too much risk for it. They are going to cover. A lot of them are going to cover before the close. It just makes sense. It just makes sense, man. It's just math. It's just basic math, man. I mean, it's simple. It's pretty simple. Bought 25, but I bring 2 million volume with what? How many of y'all matched me? I wasn't able to read the chats. Let me know in the chat. Just say the number of shares that you matched me with. Everyone who's matching me right now, please know what you're doing. Cancel your orders. Sell right now if you're not willing to go through carnage to get through that end goal, man. The Fellowship of the Sapphire is strong, but it's not for everybody. It's very hard to be a Bngo bull. It's very hard. Of course, you get days like this that are awesome, but you also get crappy days. All right? It's not all freaking green, man. It's not all green. You got to know what you're doing. 1,000. Are you serious, man? Hell yes. You know what you're doing if you did that, I hope. 3 shares, 688. Didn't get filled. 12, 15. 500, 100, 283 more, 500 shares. What are we buying at? Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, dude. Here's the thing, and here's the reason why. Guys, I'm not trying to pump. I'm not trying to pump and dump, all right? I'm holding all my shares. Here's the thing. For everybody just getting in right now, it's a huge deal. If Bionano closes the day above $7, not only are the shorts probably going to cover, they haven't covered yet, and we can get to the short interest data. We're going to get to the short share availability. Trust me, we talk about it literally every 5 seconds, and I show you the chart every 5 minutes. I do, every time. But if we close above that, and the longer we're breaking out above this descending level, man, the more risky it is to hold that short position, especially heading into the close, which is why I'm so excited. I'm so glad I was actually able to get away from the family for a little bit just to get down here and stream a little bit, right? At least the market close. I wish I could have streamed the whole day. If we were streaming the whole day, we would be at freaking $9 by now. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? But dude, it is very big if we close above 7. So that's the goal. $7 a share, closing above. $7 a share. Right now we're struggling. There's not much volume. At all. 8%, 9% in the green almost right now. I don't mind the shorting. If I can add more and more every paycheck for these prices, it's better long term. The only way we don't do good things next week, listen to me right now, guys. The only way we don't do good things next week, in my opinion, is if the markets do something bad. That's it. I mean, you got every single thing you could want from the technical analysis you got. Even if we close at 660, okay? If I'm being honest with you guys, we don't really need to close above 7. We really don't. Okay, now of course I want to. Everybody wants to. Short squeeze. Boom. Let's go. Come on, freaking burn the shorts, dude. Everybody wants to burn the shorts right now. Yes, that'd be great. But guys, if we close above 660, as long as we close above there, it's insanely bullish still. I mean, you have everything. There's nothing more that you could want as a bull. And I say this confidently now because we've got everything. Every bullish reversal sign is there. Everything is there. I promise you. Okay, try to find me an indicator that's not. The worst indicator that you can find is the daily stochastic indicator. But if you look at the weekly, guess what? It's a buy signal. It's a buy signal, man. So it does. If you look at the daily freaking Supertrend and SAR, look at it. Okay, You tell me what you see. It's bullish. It's green. It's buy signals everywhere. 4 hourly, right? 4 hourly. What do you got? You guessed it. Freaking green. It's buy signals. Look at the exponential moving averages, right? Let me look at the EMA and the move and the SMAs here. Okay, MAs, EMAs. Boom. What do you got? You guessed it. Golden crosses, buy signals, and we don't even have them all yet. The 55-day is gonna cross above the freaking here. Let me zoom in here so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Once this line crosses above the red line, something like this. Once that happens, that's your buy signal. That's the second most important golden cross, man. That's the second most important one. That's just how it is. That's just what's happening. It's simple. It's simple. You got everything. You got everything. And the icing on the cake is not only that, hey, fundamentally we're better now than ever before, but the icing on the cake is this, man. This right here, the short share availability. Look at this crap. It has not changed. It has not changed since we started streaming earlier. 250,000 shares. That's all. That's all that there's available to short right now. Every other freaking short share that's available has already been lent out and is suppressing the price and applying that selling short pressure on the stock right now, as we're speaking. And the fact that we're running today and none of them are covering, it just makes you so excited. That's why I just added a share. I mean, if we close above 7, we could freaking instigate that short squeeze, or at least a little bit of one. I mean, come on. You guys are looking at the same stuff. Man. This is it. I mean, there's no making this stuff up. 250,000 short shares available. Everything else is lent out. That's the only way you can interpret this data. Of course, it can be wrong, but are you really telling me the premium FinTel is going to be way wrong? I mean, this indicator, it's at least got the right implication, man. Come on. Right now we're at 688. We've got no volume. Right now. We do have a hammer candle, kind of. We have one right there. We have a bit of a hammer. Oh man, the spring is loaded indeed. I know. I gotta calm down for a second. I'm gonna freaking die. I yell too much. My voice, man. Do you think the shorts will cover today? That's an amazing question. I'm glad you asked that, guys. This is my synthesis. If we close the day above 7. What does that tell you? What does that tell you if we actually get a bullish power hour here? It tells you that traders are betting on next week being good. Also, if you're a short, if you're looking at the chart pattern, you're like, oh, wow, that looks really bullish. Yeah, maybe it's time to take profits, or maybe it's time to cover. Yeah, oh, hey, it's a weekend as well. Maybe I don't want that overnight exposure. That's a lot of risk to take over in the weekend. Yes, I think it only makes sense. It only makes sense for people to cover right now. It only makes sense. We just broke out of this descending level of resistance here. I mean, I don't understand the shorts thinking, man. This is the time. If you're a short, I would be covering right now. Okay, of course, if the manipulators come in and they start freaking doing their thing, of course. If people start selling, of course, there's a ton of contingencies. Markets go down, dump. Yeah, Bionano could dump as well. Sure. But look at the alternative. Squeeze. It's not. If you're a short, the risk-reward ratio does not make sense. It doesn't make sense. Not at all. So if we close above 7, I'm very bullish. I think a lot of shorts will cover if we actually hit $7. Maybe. Or not, right? I can always be wrong. 2,000 shares just bought 687. We're literally just getting dojis, man. Just it's just 3 doji candles in a row. Like, really? Oh man, too funny. I love it, man. I love it. It's too fun, man. We got what, 28 minutes till the close. I can't do math. I can't speak also, and my voice hurts. Oh man. All right. Brandon, where do you check the inflation report? Well, here's one thing I would tell you about inflation, and I have it bookmarked right here. Actually, I have it up right here. The 10-year break-even inflation rate. That's something that you got to watch. Also, the economic calendar. If you're a trader, I mean, I guess you could technically just watch these streams all the time, but you're gonna want to check this stuff. The economic calendar. This is what you're gonna want to know. Right now it's the 4th. It's Friday, right? So we did have all this crap, factory orders, unemployment rate, right? Blah blah yada yada. Next week we have let me see. CPI. We have core CPI and consumer price index, right? Those are going to be big. Job claims, and then consumer sentiment index. Some people were saying this matters. I don't know if anyone really cares about this, but yeah, those are the things to watch next week. So we don't really have, and this is bullish as well for right now. Guess what? Monday, it's consumer credit. Kate, who gives a crap about consumer credit? I don't. Maybe other people do. I don't think that's a big deal though. So these first 2 days here tomorrow and next week, the market likes stability. There's not much crap going on. That's bullish for the markets in the aggregate, man. I know it's not much, but it's something. 6,500 shares just bought 688, man. Oh my gosh, how are we not moving? How are we not moving right now? Man. This is weird. This is weird price action. It's just straight up dojis. 3 dojis in a row. So weird. So weird. Man, we need to make a hammer candlestick right here. The Molly Fu article that put us ahead, put us with Apple and Amazon in terms of opportunity. I don't think I did. Are you talking about this one? Oh, I see it right here. Do y'all want me to read this right now? Tell me if you want me to read this right now. Tell me if you want me to read this article. I will if we get like more yeses than nos. But the chart is, I mean, the chart isn't as crazy right now as it was earlier, but it's still pretty crazy. %9 right now. Let's see what the markets are doing. I would love if the markets could do a little pump action before the close here. That would not be bad at all. The Russell's doing well. The Russell is. Yes, read it. Okay, all right, boom, I will. Boom. All right, here we go. 1 second. All right. Here we go. Okay, so this is today at 5:52 Eastern time. Okay. If memes are floating on the internet, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if there's any. Hopefully there's something important in here. You guys are telling me you guys are acting like this is a good article. It better be good. All right, Apple and Amazon, we don't care. We don't care at all. Bionano Genomics. You might be a little surprised by the third top one. Wall Street really likes it. That's not really true, I don't think. The average price target is a whopping 80% higher than the stock's current price. Revenue jumped. Okay, we already know this. Although the unprofitable, its bottom line moved in the right direction. Oh yeah, you think so? Customers appear to like Bionano Sapphire genome mapping system. Okay, I would have worded that differently. As the installed base grows, the company's recurring revenue from consumable growth. That's the kind of business model that investors hope could really pay off over the long run. Yes, that's a huge thing that all bears neglect. Every single Sapphire sale that we make, every single genome that we make, it's reoccurring. It's good, man. All right, Hexar. I don't like the VWAP, but maybe I'll give it another try. Yeah, I used that before and I don't like it, but yeah, maybe I'll give it another try. Thank you. Anyways, Bionano projects to have 150 Sapphires in the field, up 50% from year end of 2020. The company also anticipates receiving accreditation for additional laboratory-developed tests for Sapphire soon. Bionano is riskier than Apple or Amazon, but analysts think it could be a huge winner over the short term. That's pretty much nothing. I mean, they pretty much said nothing. I like that they did this. But yeah, this is nothing. There's nothing new in here. But yeah, usually there's never anything interesting in the articles usually. I like that he mentions the reoccurring revenue, but I like that we got considered with here. I like that we got considered here. Here's the thing, it's kind of dumb. Whatever. You guys know what I mean. You guys already read this probably. But yeah, it's this is good to see. I like to see bullish articles, but you know, there's nothing cool in here. But of course, there's never is anything cool in the articles, right? So. Oh my gosh, another doji, come on. What is this price action? I mean, can I even call this price action? It's just dojis. Just 4 dojis in a row. Can we get 5 dojis in a row? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is good sentiment. Yeah, I agree. But here's the thing. The articles are just dumb. I think most people at this point in time, most of the whales and institutions, they don't care what freaking analysts think. They don't care what journalists think. Okay, they don't care about this crap. But yeah, it's good to see. It's good to see, right? I'm glad that we got it. I'm glad that we got it, man. Thank you so much, my friend, for that donation. Thank you so much, B. I'm gonna call you B. I don't know how, but you are right. Did you see what happened with Bitcoin and Doge? By the way, checkbook. The Wall Street era is over. You said you don't understand yield. Okay. All right. I'll give it a check. Thanks, my friend. I'll maybe give it a check. I'll check it out maybe. Did I see what happened with Bitcoin and Doge though? Let's give it a check. Bitcoin and Doge right now. Okay. Okay. Wow. It looks like we got a little bit of selling going on. I'd like to see it. I want Mora and Bitcoin and Doge to freaking dump. I want them to dump, man. That's what we need. We need them to dump down to the downside. We got a hammer candle for Doge though. Let's see what Bitcoin got. Same thing for Bitcoin. That's not bad. Last time you had a hammer candle, well, I guess you've had a ton of them, but eh. Oh man, too funny. All right, let's go back to Bionano. Let's go back to him. But yeah, for Bitcoin, I want this to dip more. I want to see 30K again. I don't necessarily think it's likely to, but it's such an auspicious trade if it does for me. I think so, at least 688 right now. Oh my gosh, we got 4 dojis in a row. Let's see if we can actually. Oh, with so much buying. Look at the order right here. We have so much buying, but we can't do anything. Oh. Thoughts on AMC? Could we see 100, lol? Well, you guys want me to, here, let me know. Do y'all want me to check the AMC short interest data right now? I can do it if you want. Biggest benefit from it I see is that the massive amount of Apple and Amazon investors may stumble upon it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I didn't know about that. I didn't really notice that. That's good. That's good, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like to see it. I like to see that. What time frame is that? This is the 5-minute time frame, my friend, right here. 5-minute time frame. Boom. They're trying to keep it below $7. Is that due to the expiring options for next Friday? Yeah, I don't really know about the options expiration date. We've got 18th of June. We've got expirations on June 18th. Or yeah, June 18th. I don't know when triple witching is for this month. I need to pay more attention to that. It could be, guys. They are trying. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'll tell you what I do know. I don't like to talk about stuff I don't know, but I'll tell you what I do know. If we do push above 7, they're gonna cover, and they want to. They want us to cover. They want us to close the day right now. They try to push this. Okay, mark my words. They tried to push this down below 660. Okay, if I wouldn't have came back and streamed today, maybe we would be at $6. If I had streamed the whole day, we would maybe be at $9 by now, right? I'm just joking, but seriously, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, man. They're trying to push us down. We're saying no. We're saying no. It's time for you to burn. Our portfolios has burned enough. We're green now, and we're not done. We're not done. This is not a dead cat, man. It's not a dead cat bounce. Oh, man, it's just so boring. It's 4 dojis in a row. Are you kidding me? How many dojis can we get in a row? Should I transfer my CRSPR and Teladoc to Bngo? Yes, YOLO in right now. No, I'm kidding. Make your own decision, but it is much more auspicious. CRSPR, fine. Yeah, long-term gene editing growth, whatever the hell they do, right? Fine. Bionano is more auspicious, in my opinion. Long-term, 156x in 10 years minimum. That's a conservative estimate in my book, at least, based on the discounted cash flow model per Ragnaros' projections, right? 688 right now, man. 5 dojis in a row. Dude, what are the chances? 5 dojis in a row. For anyone who's just getting in here right now, it's very important. Hear me out here. Short share availability in Bionano. It's the exact same. It's the exact same as it was this morning. What does this mean? What does this mean? Brandon, I don't understand this. What does this mean? Basically, it means that there are less short shares available, meaning that the other ones must have been lent out. And because they haven't covered at all today, they're already in the red. If we can squeeze them up, not squeeze them, but if we can get up to $7, I guarantee you a lot of them are going to cover right before the close, resulting in a domino effect, a sporadic price movement up. Hopefully, this is a little bit optimistic, but hopefully, best case scenario, that we can get a close above 734. That's the best case scenario. Bear case scenario, I mean, I don't know what the bear case is. I mean, I guess they could manipulate this down to 660. That's pretty much impossible, though. If this gets down to 660, I'm adding shares. I will do my part in making Bionano close above 660 today because if we close above 660 today, which we will, I mean, 99%, right? If we close above, it'll be the first daily close above the descending level of resistance in months. And that is the final bullish reversal sign that anyone with a brain needs to say that we are now out of the downtrend. We're out. The continuation pattern for the downtrend, it's done. We are now in something else, right? We'll see what it is. I wouldn't be surprised if the markets go up, it's going to be an uptrend. Okay, there's only 2 options. I mean, 3, I guess, right? But that's essentially what we got. That's what we're dealing with. Okay, so that's why it's so big. If we can just what the hell is this, man? Look at this crap. There's 5 dojis in a row. Have you guys seen anything like that? I haven't seen something like this in a long time, man. This is manipulation at its best. 5 dojis in a row. Oh my gosh, what is this? We've seen so much buying pressure coming in. Like, if we scroll down here, it's mostly buying, man. It's mostly buying. Look at this. Look at this. I like 15,000 shares right there. Boom, 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 man, come on. And we're not doing anything. We're not doing anything at all. All the sells are small, right? You only have a couple big sell orders at all, if you can consider those big. The shorts are ready for us to get squeezed. They are ready to get squeezed. They are ready for us to squeeze the lemons and freaking close the day above $7. It's ready. It's ours for the taking. And of course, guys, I want everyone to know that if we close the day right where we are right now, if we just have a ton of dojis heading into the close, like, okay, that's fine. As long as we close above 660, I'm super bullish for next week. But it's still contingent on the markets. It still is. It totally is. That's why it's so risky to hold right now. And I am. You guys need to understand the risk, though. You need to. Yep, we also confirmed, guys. We also confirmed. I haven't talked about this one in a while. It's because it's not really. We're way above it, guys. The 21-day EMA exponential moving average on the weekly, right? We had a lot of trouble confirming the breakout above it. We finally did, and it's at 642. So if we were to get any dumpage, 642 is going to propel us much higher. And guess what? With every weekly close, it's going to go up a little bit higher. This is a weekly time frame. Every weekly close, it's going to go up a little bit higher, pushing us higher and higher and higher. Domino effect, flywheel effect, learning curve, man. I guess learning curve, not really for that, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean, man. Buying pressure is in, but just nothing is happening. It's time to make this a dang hammer candle, man. What is going on? Just four dojis in a row, and now we got a little bit of a we got crap. We got dog crap. That's what we got. The fake walls at 7-Eleven. All right, man, they're not even trying to be even anymore. The bears are not even trying to look authentic. They're usually, you place your fake walls at $7, $7.50. Look down here. They're not even trying. 7-Eleven, really? You think someone's trying to sell 25K? No, they're not. It's not going to happen, okay? The shorts have not even covered yet, man. Let me refresh this again. They're not covering. I mean, you're looking at the same thing I am. They're just not covering. They're too dang stubborn, and they want a war, they'll get one. They want a war, they'll get one, man. They might have won the battle today, or at least so far since we peaked. They might have won the battle, but we're gonna win the war, man. This is a war. Don't get it twisted, man. This is a 20%. This stock has a 20% shorted float. Do not get it twisted. They're not covering. Manipulation is proven. We've got naked shorting. We've got paying off freaking journalists, man. We've got increasing the supply artificially to unnaturally suppress the price more than it would have been otherwise. I mean, it's proven. It's proven. I think it's proven. I think it is. Oh man. Waiting for another large buy order ones before the close. Man, this is so boring. This is the most boring, most exciting moment of my life right now. It's like, oh my gosh, there's so much on the line here. There's so many shorts that could squeeze, but it's just going sideways though. 688 right now, man. 9.5%, almost. Well, I guess closer to 9% flat. Can we? Okay, here we go. Can we get a bullish tweezer? Bullish tweezers, guys. This is called a candlestick. This is called a bullish tweezers, to my understanding, man. That's a bullish chart pattern. If we were to close right here. If we could do that, that's a bullish chart pattern. But honestly, we got 4 dojis before this. It just looks like manipulation. The manipulation combined with low volume, that's what you get. 4 dojis in a row. Oh, man. Maybe after hours have price action. Not really. After hours, there's not enough volume. I mean, there's not enough volume to sustain anything. Anything that happens in after hours, unless there's news for Bionano historically in the recent past, it doesn't matter at all. At all. To be honest with you. I mean, at least that's what I think. Big buys coming at close. That's a great question. Bullish tweezer, my gosh. Oh man, it's too funny, Jason. You think big buys coming in at close, but I think we will. I think we will, to be honest with you. I think it's more likely that we'll see more big buys coming at the close. Here's the thing. In my mind, there's no reason why you would be shorting or not. There's no reason why you wouldn't be buying Bionano, at least with small amounts if you're a hedge or anyone. The only reason you don't buy Bionano is if, number one, you think inflation is coming. Yeah, and that's it. That's the only reason. If you've done your research, that's the only reason at these prices, especially if you know about the actual short share availability data here and the short float and the days to cover. That's the only way. I mean, look at this. Days to cover just went up, guys. The higher the days to cover, the better. That's more bullish for a squeeze. That makes it more likely that there's actually going to be a squeeze to happen. If you look at AMC here, let me just give you an example. Okay, let's see what AMC's what do you call it? AMC's days to cover is. I bet it's very high, or at least very high, higher than 3. Let's see. I think it's higher. 6.9 wall. Yeah, we got walls. Yeah, we've got walls. Yep, we've got walls at we got 40K sell wall at 690, and you know what that is. That you know what it is. I don't even have to say at this point. I mean, you know it's crap. I mean, come on, it's absolute crap. Okay, so this one, the days to cover is actually really low. Wow, that's actually really interesting. Never mind. I was actually wrong on that. Okay, well, anyways, the point is still the same. The point is still the same, man. 688, 669, or 669, 689, man. Here we go. Oh, what was that? What was that, bro? Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, 12,000 shares just sold. You got to be kidding me. This price action is so weird. It's so weird. The 5-minute candles are so weird. Oh my gosh. We got to close the day above 7 to be super bullish, but as long as we close above 660, we're good to go. We're good to go as long as we close above $6.60. We need to set up a Bngo club, access to your live feeds, one of my nano nozzle shirts, and a decoder ring. Can we get fellowship of the Sapphire shirts? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Eventually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Keep pestering me about that, because I will only do it if y'all keep reminding me. Otherwise, I'll forget. Over the weekend, I'll do some designs for the Fellowship of the Sapphire. Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh, this is this is the most boring close ever. Oh my gosh, let me check some other stocks. Let's see if anything else is doing anything. Blackberry is our trade today, and it looks like it's kind of getting killed right now. Yeah, it's struggling. It's very much struggling to hold above that 4-hourly 21 SMA. Very much struggling. I'm holding as of now. I only got 20 shares, so it's like whatever. What the hell? AMC, on the other hand, is down 5%, $48 a share here. Bleeding. Let me see what the markets are doing. The markets are rallying. See, this is what I wouldn't be surprised if Bionano follows suit, man. I would not be surprised. But there's no volume. It looks like all of the people that were trading Bionano. Look at that. We just got 9,000. We just got about 11,000 shares just bought right there. But then again, we just had 11,000 sold right before that. Oh, man. It looks like it's barcode. Yeah, it is barcoding. Yep. Look at this. Oh, man, I love it. It's just straight barcoding. It's just barcoding. Manipulation, man. I'm telling you. Buying pressure, not really. 3,900 shares just sold. That just kind of canceled it. Here we go. Last 10 minutes here. We're in the home stretch, boys. 10 minutes. If we close above 7, oh, it'd be so nice if we actually got a sporadic close with a ton of buy orders coming in at the last moment, literally the last millisecond to buy, like we've seen. Like 4 out of the last, I think it's like, what is it? 4 out of the last 6 trading days, we've seen huge buys at the very last close, or something like that, man. Yesterday we didn't, but before that, so many consecutive days in a row, we saw huge buying right at the close. I'm talking over 100,000 shares bought. I know, they're so fake. Look at this. They're so fake. I mean, come on, man. Come on. Look at this. They're not even hiding it anymore. It's just so easy. It doesn't take. I mean, you could put someone on their first day of trading and have them go through this exercise of realizing what a fake wall is, and they would tell you that's a fake wall right there. Come on, man. It's a fake wall. It's everywhere. They're not giving up. When are they going to give it up, man? Oh, these shorts piss me off. They really piss me off, man. I hate them, and I want them to burn, which sounds cruel. It is, but they've been cruel to us, and they don't want it. They want to do their part and not. They want to do their part in stifling revolutions in healthcare, man. And they're obviously manipulating the price, in my opinion. So, I mean, they deserve it. Their portfolios deserve to burn, if you ask me. We're smashing bears. Yeah, we are, dude. Dude, if I was a bear right now, I would be freaking my shit. Do you know why I would be flipping my shit if I was a bear? Dude, look at this. Okay? We're above the descending level of resistance. We've got every bullish reversal sign you can think of. If you look at the RSI, oh, what if they're overbought? They don't have much room to go. Wrong. We're not even at overbought yet. We're at 60 on the RSI. If you look at the weekly stochastic indicator, one of my, I don't know about favorite, but I am using this more and more every single day because I really like it. It's very accurate. It's basically a MACD and RSI in one. That's at least how I think of it. I mean, come on. Look at that. All right, we're not even, basically, just think of this as an RSI. Just think of it as an RSI, man. Look on the weekly chart. We're at 24 and 15 with the K and D line. Look right there. I mean, dude, you saw it last time, right? That was your buy signal when you got that bullish flip, when you got the bullish divergence, right? I mean, this isn't really divergence because the price is going up and the indicator is going up. Divergence technically is not that, but you know what I mean, right? It's a buy signal. It's a buy signal. We've got golden crosses. We've got everything. We've got everything. If you're a short, you know it's risky right now. You know if you hold this position, you could be getting squeezed next week. You know there's a chance. If the markets go up, you most likely will. Yes, I agree. I don't like the VWAP. I don't like it. I mean, maybe I'll give it another look because you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, come on. Come on. You got to be kidding me. We must go higher. Are you kidding me? How many shares does it take to move the price up 1 cent? We just got like, what, 20, 30, like 40,000, like 40 to 45,000 shares just bought right there. Look at that volume. That volume says it all, man. Oh my gosh. It's like, what? How did we not go? How many shares does it take to move the price up 1 cent? My golly. Man. We did make a new high though. We did wick up and hit a new high. I like it. We are still barcoding, and we do have a hammer candle. We have tweezers here, a little bit modified tweezer, and a hammer candle. So I mean, I guess yeah, you know what I mean. 4,000 shares just added. Still not going up. Still not going up. We got 7 minutes till the close. Shorts have not covered according to Fintel. The markets are rallying. The markets are rallying as well. Let me pull up the markets here. Let me get the oh crap. You know what? Here, let me just go to the broader market watch list here. The markets are doing well. The markets are rallying, and the Russell is doing well. Bionano is not following right now. I would not be surprised if we do. We should. We really should. We're better. We're primed. We are primed to end the day above $7 right now. We've got 7 minutes. Oh, I really think we should. I really think there's a high chance that we do. I really think there is. It just depends, though. I mean, it's 687. Oh my gosh, 40,000 shares just sold. See, this is what I hate. 40,000 shares sold, we go down 2 cents. We just had 40,000 shares bought, and we didn't do anything either. It's like, oh my gosh. It's like, why? What is this sorcery, man? What is this sorcery? The manipulators, that's what it is. You want to know the truth? It's manipulation. It's manipulation, my friends. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. All right. Imagine... Imagine spending your day putting up fake walls. I know, and there's people that do that. There's so many people that do that, obviously, man. Look at that buying coming in. Look at that. Okay, there you go. There you go. 10,000 shares added. Doesn't do anything, right? Doesn't do anything. Now the next 100 shares sold will go down 1 cent. It does not make sense. Sometimes it just happens. Sometimes it happens, right? Dark pools that see? Every time, man. All right, this is the last 5-minute candle. This is the last one. This has been the most boring. Oh man, it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. The shorts have not covered. The markets are rallying. We're primed right now. We're primed. Oh, but we're not going to do it. It looks like we're not going to do it. We only got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I mean, we could have a huge candle here, totally. Okay, but I mean, man. Probably not. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get huge orders right at the close, though. Would not be surprised. It makes no sense. This should be investigated. Some guys also remember, it's not necessarily proof for manipulation for the little order comparison that I just did for you, but that's because these are not all the orders that are coming in. Dark pools, private exchanges, institutions of intentional manipulation. They are not reporting this crap. They're not reporting that stuff to the level 2 data or the tick by tick time and sales here. They're not reporting any of that. There's plenty of ways that they can sell stuff and short stuff and sell fake shares and short fake shares, increasing the supply and creating a huge amount of artificial selling pressure and bearish price action on the actual stock, man. There's plenty of ways they can do that without actually selling shares right here. There's plenty of ways. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 686, man. This is sadness. This is so sad. It's just blatant manipulation at this point, man. I mean, the markets are going up. I mean, fine. You want to call this profit taking? Fine, man. I don't see that. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Why are the shorts not covered? If you're a short, why would you hold your damn position or going into the week unless you know something like insider information or you know about inflation coming up? It makes no sense. Look at this bullshit, man. Are you kidding me? Look at this bullshit right here. I mean, whatever. Hey, as long as we close above 660, we're still in super bullish territory. We're still primed. We're still primed for next week. But, man, this is sadness. It's sad to see, man. It really is sad to see. It's sad to see people selling out right before the weekend. It's sad. Because it should be the opposite. It should be shorts covering their positions to get rid of that overnight exposure. Instead, we're getting traders. And here we go. 12,000 shares just bought. That's what we'd like to see. Man. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Also, by the way, did anyone see it? We're gonna recap the day here and the news stuff here in a second. I'll just leave it on the chart here for now. But guys, there is a lack of PR right now that is very, very strange, very unsettling. Also, kind of bullish as well. We can get into some speculation for that here in a little bit. 3,500 shares just bought at 686. I mean, look at all this green. I mean, this is what I hate, man. It takes so much. It takes so much green to move us up, but yes, we get one selling order coming in, we go down, man. And of course, there could be other things affecting the stock price. There are, okay, dark pools, private exchanges, naked shorting, right? All these other things can affect it, man. But still, it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. Never seen so many fake walls in my life. I know. Look at this. Look at this crap. And they're actually playing around on the bull side as well. They're playing around, man. Usually, this happened yesterday as well. The whales come out at the end. They start doing fake walls on both sides. 686. What's your guys' predictions? 1 minute and 30 seconds left. What do you think? Man. Oh, man, this is frustrating. I mean, it's fine. We're up 8% on the day. I can't complain. I cannot complain. I kind of can, though, because I kind of can because the shorts, for some reason, did not cover at all. At all. Based on our data, based on to my understanding. Oh, man. 1 minute. 1 minute. 687, 688, 692. I hope 692. I'll be happy with 692. 45 seconds. Oh, man. I think they're putting the pieces together for some big news. I think so, too. I think that could be happening. That's just speculation, but I think it could be happening. It would make sense. We've been getting it. There is some evidence to hint at an Illumina partnership. Some. Not concrete evidence. 30 seconds. I don't know if it's going to be big orders at the close or selling orders at the close, but historically, I would say, honestly, my gut tells me this is going to be a lot of buy orders, but I could be totally wrong. Let's see. I would not be surprised if there are huge orders, though. Here we go. 10 seconds. Here we go. This is what it's going to be. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. What's it going to be? It's red right now. What's it going to be, though? It's glitching. There it is. Yes, we got buying. Yes. Let's go. We ended the day kind of poorly, but whatever. We got buys at the close. I like it, man. I like it. Look at that. All right, let's calculate these. So we had some heavy selling here right before. So that's about what? That's about 20,000-ish, maybe 30,000. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt. And then the bulls come in. What? That's 10,000. This is rough math, by the way. 10,000. 30, 40, 33,000, 35,000. Oh, man, this is good. 40-ish, 45,000, 50,000. Oh, man. About 60. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, this is over 100,000, I think. Somebody tell me the exact number, but I think that's over 100,000 shares just added at the close. I like it. Man. A lot of buying at the close. That's what we like to see. Buying at the close, I think it was about 100,000 shares, and then the selling right before it was about 25K, maybe a little less than that. Yeah, 10,000. Yeah. Okay, so a little bit higher than 25K, a little bit higher, and then the bulls, I think we had over 100,000 shares added right at the close. I think that's what we had. Yeah, I know. 100,000 shares in price didn't budge. I know. That's just how it is. Usually when you get shares added at the close, it's weird. That's usually just what happens. I don't really understand that. But yeah, descending triangle breakout confirmed. Yeah, we did break out of this. We had a descending wedge here, I would call it, and we broke out. Yeah, we didn't really have any volume, but we did have volume at the end. Look at that beautiful 5-minute candle, 5-minute volume candle right there, man. I love it. But all right, let's recap the day and let's go over expectations and what we're looking for next week. All right. So while I have you all here. Oh man. Hold on, my voice is about to freaking die, man. Oh man. All right. I'm glad it's a weekend. I need to rest my voice after this. 250,000 shares. That's what is available, man. All the other ones have been lent. They have all been lent. So what this means, right? Ape language. Let me just give you the ape language, right? Basically, the shorts held through the weekend. That means that they think they are stubborn enough. They really think that we're going to go red next week. They're going to have a better chance to sell and cover. I mean, they're going to have a better chance to cover next week. I think if the markets go green next week, we're going to get a squeeze. I think if the markets go green next week, we're going to hit the $7.20 price target. I don't know if it's going to be a full-fledged short squeeze, but I just know that it's very bullish. We got every reversal sign. Fundamentally, we're better right now than we've ever been before. If the markets do us any favors, we're looking very good. And we got some bullish articles, of course. Fundamentally, we're looking great. There's been a very weird silence and absence of marketing. What the heck? It looks like they just retweeted something. Study confirms best method to assemble the high-quality genomes using our proximal high-C, PacBio long reads, 10x genomics scaffolding, and Bionano Genomics optical maps. Method to be used to complete the vertebrate genomes project. Okay, this is new. This is new. I think this is new. Yeah, Bionano retweet. Yep. Hold on, guys. We got new news right here. We got new news. This is published. What? Oh, my gosh. Come on. Come on. They just did it again, man. They faked us out again. It was published on May 20th. Oh. I mean, it's fairly new, but I'll still check it out because it is fairly new. Come on. Oh, my gosh. It really... Is your article that good that I have to buy it? Oh, my gosh. Some of the studies are like this, and it pisses me off. Much progress has been made with sequencing chromosome. Wow. Wow, nice freaking job, dude. Is this an affiliate link? Is this an affiliate link from Bionano? It might be, man. Wow. Anyways, whatever. All right, that's bullish. I like to see the Bionano. Right, remember, guys, Bionano doesn't necessarily have to make everything obsolete to reach $2 billion in profit in 2030 alone. We can just get adoption and be a complementary technology. And technically, we can get a ton of revenue like that. Technically, it can happen. So, anyways, yeah, let's recap the day from the technical standpoint, and then we're going to get out of here, okay? So, we closed the day above the descending level of resistance right here. We had perfect touch points. We got rejected 2 days in a row. We broke it today. We absolutely annihilated it today, and the shorts did not cover. We had about 100,000 shares added to the close, and we did have 25,000 shares sold right before. So it is slightly bullish. You know, not insanely bullish. You know, we saw 3.5 million shares added at the close one day, and then nothing happened. The price didn't even move, really. But nonetheless, it's better to see buying at the close than selling. And what does this tell you? The whales that are doing this, the institutions that have algorithms, whatever, whoever is buying in at the 1600, 03, 1600, yeah, it's all 03s, it looks like. They like it for next week. Otherwise, why would they be buying in? Why are they having overnight exposure? Why are they adding shares, right? They're bullish for next week. That's as simple as it gets, man. Also, the short share availability. I want to tell you guys something. We ran today. Bionano ran today. 10% almost in the green. This is without the shorts covering, and this is without big volume. We ended the day barely above our 3-month average of 24 million. We only beat the 3-month average by 4 million, man. Imagine what is going to happen when we actually have the shorts covering and we have some volume in. Imagine a big PR drop right after that, dude. If that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. I also want to go over, well, you know what? I'll have videos on the technicals for the rest of the week, and I'm not going to do a full technical breakdown, but it is looking very good. We have everything you want, essentially, from the technical standpoint. We have everything you want. So with that being said, I'll take questions, and then we'll go over anything I forgot as far as news, and then we're going to get out of here. So feel free to get out of here right now. Give me your questions now, boys. Some sort of question about my portfolio here. Here you go. This is the portfolio. I did close, and guys, please don't get mad at me. All right, hear me out here. I did go ahead and close out of one of my options for Bionano, the small one, the one that's worth like $200. I did go ahead and close out that today. The reason is not because I'm more bearish on Bionano. It is literally only because of the markets. I need some buying power. And I will be adding shares. I will be adding shares to Bionano. I will have 10,000 shares in a few months, probably. Maybe not. We'll see. But that is the goal. And my goal for Bionano is to at least have 10,000 shares at some point. That's gonna happen. Right now I have less than 2,000. So yeah, I do got BB still. Yeah, I do have a trade open here, and it looks like I may have to cut my losses here, or I might hold depending on Wall Street Bets sentiment. But I only have 20 shares. Okay, it was just a fun trade. So yeah. All right, man. Questions? What do we got? Yeah, we are running after hours a little bit. 691 right now. I honestly, unless we start going way higher after hours, I wouldn't pay much attention to it. Okay. As I say that, we go up to 692, man. Still, we need to go up a few percent in the after hours for it to mean anything, in my opinion. The after hours on a Friday, especially, unless it's big, it doesn't mean anything. So we'll watch it right now. What other stuff do I need to cover? What other stuff do I need to cover, man? So now. Know what caused the dip. You closing your position option. What's the worst case scenario for Bngo next week? The worst case scenario is inflation. Inflation is the worst case, man. It's inflation. That's what it is. I bought a Bngo share, by the way, today. If anyone's going to actually seriously try to crucify me for selling that option. Guys, I promise you, if I wasn't so scared of the markets right now, I would have all of this buying power would be in shares, and I would have another let's see, I would have another 300 shares of Bionano right now, and that would be sweet. I would buy it right now. I would YOLO it. Seriously, I'm serious. I will, and once I have that 10,000 shares, I will YOLO that 10,000 shares live. Okay, I promise you. I promise you, I will. If you stick with the channel, if the channel does well, next few months, be watching out for that. I will title it YOLOing 10,000 Bngo shares live. All right, or something like that. I will do it. I will do it. Jobs report didn't even phase the markets. Yeah, the jobs report was well, the employment report was yesterday. The ADP employment was yesterday. And then today we had the unemployment rate. And we also had JP speaking on climate change, which I still somebody explained to me. I've asked so many times, why the hell is the Fed talking about climate change? Whatever, that doesn't matter. But yeah, we had there's serious headwind. I'll just hear. Oh my gosh, dude, what are we up in the pre-market? Are we up 2% now almost? Wow, 1% up in the after hours, up to 694 right now. This is a little bit interesting. Why are we going up in the after hours? It looks like everything kind of is though, kind of, a little bit. Not really. Not really. I wonder why. This is weird. Nano Dimension and MVIS are both up in the after hours as well. Very weird. Oh my gosh. 695. Holy crap. Can we are we about to hit $7 right here? Are we about to hit $7 after hours? Am I gonna have to just keep streaming perpetually? I will. I have to leave though. I have to leave. I have to leave the family. We're not done. The family stuff is going on today and tomorrow, and then it's done. How much do you think Nano Dimension can be in 10 years? Could it be make us as rich as Bngo? I don't believe so. I don't believe so. Here's the thing. No, there's basically, and I don't mean this to give Bionano a good pump. I promise you. You just have to take my word on that. But I don't think many companies can do what Bionano does. Here's the thing. Not only do we have revolutions to be had with Bionano, but the total addressable market in Bionano, it's higher than essentially anything else in the world. Okay, essentially, realistically, I mean, it's any company with a similar market cap for Bionano. Bionano has a higher TAM. Okay, the CEO has already confirmed it. We have healthcare and hospital markets are ours for the taking through non-invasive prenatal screening, postnatal screening. We have sequencing, we have nanonozzle, we have Sapphire optical genome mapping. Every single cytogenetic lab that is using CMA, FISH, or karyotyping right now will switch over Sapphire. Oh my gosh. What is going on in the after hours? 697? What the hell is this, man? Man, after hours runner. I'll be surprised. I hope y'all are right, the people that have been calling the after hours run, but there is no predicting it. 698? What the heck? Is this a whale messing around right now? Let me look at the 1 minute chart here on the volume here. I mean, I get for the after hours there is volume backing this up for the after hours. Let me actually get the volume chart up here, man. It's not even. Oh my gosh, guys, it's not. It's like a couple thousand shares being traded. Come on, it's a few. It's 2,000 shares being traded here. There's basically nothing. Look at the level. Look at the time by sales. There's barely anything coming in. But man, what the heck is going on though? 699, bro. Are we about to test $7 again? People are in and out of this stock, dude. If you're trading this short term, you're gonna miss out. Here's why. And I can't really get off of this chart because we're running in the after hours right now. At least I can't really get out. I got to just keep it. Oh my gosh, $7. Holy crap! Can I get some rockets in the chat? Can I get some rockets in the chat for the after hours? Let's enjoy it while we have it, man. I would not expect this to stay. I'm gonna be honest with you, but hey, we'll take it. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Who would have predicted that we would break out of this and then go sideways, have like 5 dojis in a row? What the hell? What is going on right now? 703, bro, you're getting my hopes up. You're getting my hopes up. I don't want to believe this is a real run. Do not get my expectations up. I don't want to be disappointed. What is going on right now? I want those rockets in the chat. I want the rockets in the chat right now, everybody. Oh my gosh, thank you, everybody who's done those so far. Holy shit. What is going on? This is crazy. Why? Volume coming back. Well, yeah, the volume is coming back. Look at that. Look at that volume. Well, actually, not really. Not really. But still, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're above 7 right now, man. Can we confirm it above 7? I'll tell you what, guys. If we hold above 7 for a while here, I'll put an order in for $7. Oh my gosh. We just made a hammer candle. Are the shorts covering now? This doesn't make sense. Let me refresh Finto. This does not make sense. Hold on. I'm going to go back to the chart in 1 second. What is going on, though? What is going on, man? 2%. We got an after hours runner on our hands? God, that'd be insane. That'd be insane, man. Like an SENS run yesterday. Oh man, we would need news for that. Let's be honest. Okay, I don't want to give you all false hope. Come on, update. Come on, my Wi-Fi. No, please, Wi-Fi, don't go out right now. The shorts are trying to short the Wi-Fi right now, man. They know we're running. They can't stop us. 705, 706. Oh, what is this? How are we going up this much? Deo pump? What? Deo doing his part after hours. What is he doing? 706 right now, man. 706. Holy what? We just hit 709. What? I don't understand this. There's no volume coming in at all. I mean, it makes sense. Honestly, the only explanation for this is freaking is shorts. It's shorts covering back, man. It's shorts buying back their shares. Look at Microvision. Microvision's up freaking 6% after hours. Look at that volume pump. Holy 712. Oh, I'm gonna fall out of my share. I'm gonna fall. Oh, 714, 712. Oh man, let me refresh this. Hold on, let me go to the short. The shorts are covering, man. Oh, what is this? The shorts are freaking. Oh, they won't even let us see the data. 715. Volume is coming in. Look at that volume is coming in. Let me see how much volume that is. That's 9,000, almost 10,000 in volume right there. All right, that's not bad. We need to hold above $7, man. Holy crap, I'm gonna put a freaking order in for $7 to do my part in keeping us above that. Holy crap, man. 716? We're gonna test the freaking resistance in the after hours? Oh man, Microvision is bleeding, guys. Microvision is bleeding. Maybe we're about to follow suit. That could be what this is. This could be a high growth pump after hours. I don't know. Look at that. Look at the 5-minute candlestick there. Cup and handle, anyone? LFG, man. Oh my gosh, 720. We're up 5% in the after hours. Oh, and remember, guys, the higher we go, the higher we go, the more the percentage is suppressed. Oh my gosh. Rip the Bears. Oh, rip the freaking Bears, man. I told you. I said it earlier. I said if I was a short, I would be covering because it's too damn scary. It's too scary. They're not covering. Last update 7 minutes ago, man. They're not covering. They're going to get squeezed. If we stay up this high, we can get an after hours squeeze, man. I'm going to have to stream the whole freaking time. I'm going to have to tell my freaking family I'm sick. I can't hang with them, man. We got to freaking stream this. We're up 5% after hours. As long as we stay above 7, do you understand how bullish this is? Do you understand this? All right, now, of course, it's very hard to hold this through the after hours and pre-market Monday. If the NASDAQ gaps down, it could screw everything over. But still, man. Oh, man. LFG. Not a dead cat, man. This is not a dead cat. I don't want to hear any freaking dead cat comments about Bionano. Let me check that volume real quick, man. Hell yes. 13,000 volume. Look at that. Check that out. 13,000 volume right there. That's a big volume pump. Big volume pump for the after hours, at least. Of course, that's nothing compared to the market open, but damn. Damn, man. Look at this crap. The Bears are doing it again after hours. The Bears are not even done yet. They're trying their best. Look at that. Okay, these walls. Guys, I want to tell you something right now. Listen to me very carefully. These walls, I just looked at this a few minutes ago. I could be wrong, but to my understanding, these walls were nowhere to be found before we started running. Do you know what this means? It means Bears are freaking out. They're panicking, dude. The shorts are going to cover if we can stay here. We're bleeding right now, but if we can stay right here, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if we start freaking squeezing. Dude, the shorts didn't cover. If you're a short right now, it's getting more and more dangerous to cover. I mean, it's getting more and more dangerous to hold. The short borrow fee rate is there. The short share availability, all the shares are already lent out to short. They're all there. Everyone is getting killed right now, though. If we stay, I mean, I don't care if we hold above $7. Even if we hold above $7, would not be surprised if some shorts start covering in the after hours if they can, if they're using Webull. Some of them are screwed. Some of them can't not even trade. If we imagine this, imagine a PR drops right now. Imagine we get an SENS situation. It's going to be even bigger than SENS because today we saw increased shorting. All of the shorts, I mean, the shorts are covering. I mean, the shorts are not covering. They're holding. They're holding their shares. They think they can push us down, man. 3% after hours, man. 3% after hours. That's what I'm talking about. We're above $7. We got to hold above here. Man, I cannot end the stream. Oh my God, I can't end the stream. My family is out. My family is out there. Like, so much of my family has come. I can't end the stream though. 3% after hours. Oh, we're not even done yet. Look at the volume pump. Let me get the volume chart up here, man. Look at this. Look at this crap. You can't make this up. You can't make this up, man. The volume, I mean, we have some volume validating this. We do. Look at here. Just look right here. It's easier to see. It's easier to see right here. Look at that. Look at that. We got the volume is pumping up. The shorts have not covered. We could get an after hours squeeze right here. It's not off the table. It would make perfect sense. It would make perfect sense. Our new goal, boys. Close the day above $7. I'm going to do my part. Please do not match me unless you know what the hell you are doing and you're ready to freaking burn the shorts portfolio. And if you're going to match me on this trade, you need to understand that easily if the NASDAQ gaps down next week, we're going to get killed. Okay, there's no other way to say it. We're going to get killed if the NASDAQ gaps down. Okay, we're going to go from being up in the after hours to being down in the pre-market. But right now, I'm going to do my part. I'm going to do my part. After hours, 10 more shares. Let's do it. Let's do it. 10 more shares. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Rockets in the chat. I love it. No, there's not any news. No. There's not any news. If anyone knew that, if there was news, I'm sure y'all would know. I'm sure somebody would know right now. There's nothing. There's nothing. Oh, somebody has Ortex. Oh my gosh. Yes. The days to cover is increasing. Yes. Yes. They also bar. Oh yes. Someone. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Let me look at this. Let me look at this. I don't use Ortex at all. Returned shares, borrowed shares. Oh, man, this is good data right here. I need Ortex. I need to get Ortex data here, man. I need to get this. This is good data. Thank you so much, whoever did this. Days to cover on loan. It's increasing. Look at that. It's increasing, man. Short interest change. Okay, that's basically nothing, but it's increasing. And the point is, okay, wait, let's look at the time here. Let's look at the time here. At 7 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, on Friday, 7 a.m. So this was only... And here's the thing, we know because of Fintel that this is likely to only increase. It has only increased throughout the day. The short interest has pretty much, I mean, based on Fintel's data, it's only increased throughout the day. That's what makes this so exciting. That's why we may get an after hours squeeze here. At least the start of one. This is why. Look at this. I'm going to explain this in ape language again. I'm actually, you know what? Screw the ape language. I'm just going to explain to you how I know. The less short shares available means the more short shares that have been lent out to the freaking bears, man. The more pressure on the stop price. The more selling pressure there is. The less short shares available. Let me tell you something. All right, if there was 0 short shares available, that would mean there's a higher short interest from, compared to this time change right here. That's what it means. Okay, ape language, if you didn't understand that, shorts have not covered. They just haven't. It's just a fact at this point. It's just a damn fact, man. 7:05 right now. Man, everything is running after hours. Looks like Blackberry's getting killed. Screw Blackberry, okay? I don't give a crap about my Blackberry possession, okay? It's only 20 shares, man. Come on. Yes. We got we got red volume coming in. We got profit taking coming in right now, though. The shorts have not covered, though, man. I'm not selling one share. Not one. Okay, do you hear me? Not one, man. Look at this. Okay, my shares just keep increasing. They just keep increasing. There's no other way to say it, man. It's as simple as it gets. Yes, turn that volume green. Turn that volume green. Yes. Oh, man. This is crazy. When do I end the stream? Do I end it? Do I just keep going forever? Let me check my notifications here. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Man. Guys, I'm telling you right now, my family's probably watching this right now, getting pissed off that I'm not up there. I told them I need a stream. I told them. Oh man. Oh, Microvision better keep stop loss on. Microvision is insanity. It looks like we are moving with Microvision a little bit. A lot of stuff high growth. Look at this. These three are moving in tandem today. It's very weird. I mean, it happens all the time, but it's very weird still. Nonetheless, it's still weird. All right, let me zoom in right here. Okay, so it's these three. The first one is Bngo, second one is Nano Dimension, then MVIS, right? So I can't even, it's so hard to freaking, oh my gosh, y'all can't even understand that, okay? Bngo, NNDM, Microvision, everything is moving together in the after hours, man. They're all moving together. 7:06 right now. 7:06. Oh, I can't end the stream. When do I end it? Cup and handle. Right. A start of forming one right here. Yeah, maybe. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, holy crap, guys! I just found something. Thank you for whoever just told me this, guys. We have a modified cup and handle potentially, and when I say modified, like I mean a deformed freaking a very deformed cup and handle here. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is it right here. I'm going to draw it up right now. Screw the freaking... I don't care if it's clean. I'm drawing it up right now. Okay, this is too insane. There's too many shorts that could be covering right now for me not to draw this up. All right, I'm going to put it in purple so it's clear. That's not very clear. You know what? Here, let me just do this. All right, there. Fine. Green or yellow, not green. This is the cup. This is the handle. That's it. That's as simple as it gets, man. Look at it. That's as simple as it gets. That's as simple as it gets, man. The shorts have not covered. We've got a bullish chart pattern. The shorts will cover before after hours ends. It makes sense. Why would they take that overnight exposure? Why risk Bionano adding in and doing a PR? Why risk that? We've got 5 large clinical studies coming in, man. We've got 5 of them. Of course, most of them are not even projected to come out this year, but we've already got 2 of them for sure coming this year. Catalyst Sapphire adoption. Okay, what if they did a PR on that China Sapphire adoption that's already confirmed by the C-suite, essentially? I mean, basically. Okay, yes, it is. It's factual, man. It's 3% after hours right now. Shorts have not covered. They just haven't. By the way, thank you for whoever did the freaking sent the Ortex data, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, no, there is no news. There is no news. There's no news. And this is the last time this was updated. Changes from Friday 7 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. Live short interest data for Bngo. Yeah, the days to cover is going up. That coincides with the Fintel data here. Man, I gotta get guys. How much does this cost per month? I'm gonna do this if the channel does well. The channel needs to get bigger though, man. The channel needs to get bigger for me to start making like I'm gonna be spending like hundreds of dollars a month. I'm gonna be spending hundreds of dollars a month, man. I got to get the Bngo shares. Guys, my YouTube revenue has to go into Bngo shares. I'm telling you. That's how I'm going to do 10K shares. That's the only way I'm adding. I'm YOLOing in 10,000 Bngo shares. I'm telling you, if the channel blows up, it's mutually beneficial. Not only am I pumping Bngo by adding 10K shares at whatever price y'all want me to, but more people that see the channel, more people that realize that Bngo is a freaking once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Think about that. Think about that. It's mutually beneficial. Do what you can. Do what you can if you want volume. Oh, this is kind of quiet down. This is kind of quieted down. Now, guys, I got to end the stream some here. I got to end the stream within 20 minutes guaranteed. Maybe less than that. I got to end the stream. I have to. Man, that was a crazy after hours pump, though. I did not see that. I did not see that coming whatsoever, man, at all. I think the Webull link is in the description. It should be. Let me make sure. It should be. I'm going to be very mad if I forgot to put it in the description. It should be in every single description. Yeah, it is. The Webull link is in every description. Yeah. I'm shorting this Monday. What? What? Okay, good luck. All right. I hope you're joking. I think you're joking, man. People need to get off Robinhood anyway. I agree. Sir Breezy, I thank you for the rockets, my friends. Yeah, this is crazy. I did not expect this. I did not expect this at all. I mean, the volume didn't even increase at all. This is crazy. This is unheard of. This an after hours pump for Bionano has not happened since earnings, man. And they very rarely happen. They very rarely happen, man. I'm not joking. This is a pump and dump. No, it's not. James Parkin, let me educate you real fast, man. The reason why Bionano started dumping after we started running was for a few reasons. And guys, by the way, pump and dumps, as long as you end the dump higher than where you began the pump, it's not really a true pump and dump, is it? Yeah, you got to think about that, don't you? The shorts don't think of that. The reason why this is not a pump and dump is because we are bleeding not only because of high growth. Hey, here's the thing. If you're calling Bngo a pump and dump, so is every other high growth stock. Okay, I don't think anyone's taking that guy seriously, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Anyways, 706 right now. Man. The shorts, man, it's harder. Every single day we go up more, it's harder and it's riskier for them to continue shorting. It's just harder. It's more risky for them to continue holding out on their short positions. It just makes sense for them to cover during the after hours today. Hopefully we can stream here for a while. I'm excited, man. I'm not telling you. I just, if we end the day above 7, if we close the day above 7, oh God. Tomorrow we get a nice, or next week we get a nice market, like markets go sideways or gap up, dude. Oh man, your short position is gonna be looking really, really burning and like ash. It's gonna look very ash-like, dust and ash. That's what the freaking shorts portfolios are looking like right now. Anyways, yeah, we're not seeing anything right now. The volume has died off. It looks like the volume has died off for Bngo right now. Microvision is bleeding. We'll see if Bngo follows it. Man, what a crazy day. What a crazy day, man. Robbie's brother James just stopped in. Man, y'all are too funny. Pre-mark on Monday could be huge. Yes, it could. Yes, it could. Guys, listen to this. All right, I know most of you know this, but I'm going to say it again. The resistance, the next level of resistance that we got rejected at, not only do we have the cup and handle resistance, but we have a natural level of resistance around that 725 or 734 even, down to about 719 or 715 is where I technically have it drawn up at. If we can clear that, and I said this earlier only once. All right, listen up. If we can clear this level of resistance about 725, the next strong level of resistance, the next very strong one, right? The next significant level, 811. Think about that. That's about, what is that? That's more than 15% upside. More than 15% upside, guys. I'm just telling you. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I'm just telling you the facts. I don't know when we're going to moon, but based on the fundamental analysis, if I'm right about the company, we will moon. I don't know when, though, but it is a matter of time. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's as simple as it gets, man. It's simple as it gets. Look at the Bears. The Bears are still going. Dude, this is how you know the Bears are desperate. Look at this freaking feeble attempt to freaking scare the people. Guys, please don't get scared when you see fake walls. At least right now, based on the very recent past, when I say recent, I mean like not even 30 minutes ago, we were experiencing fake walls. Almost all of these walls are fake, even on the bull side. I mean, you just don't see. I mean, especially on the bear side, but don't get me wrong, it happens on the bull side as well. You just don't see the level 2 data. It doesn't get backed up by the actual time it sales. So do not let those freaking bears scare you. Don't let them scare you. They're trying to take your cheap shares. They did the exact same thing. Let me tell you a story. All right, we got a new Robbie, it looks like. Let me tell you something. The old Robbie, you can learn a lot from him. He was shorting and buying puts on May 13th. Think about the carnage. Think about the burning in your portfolio if you took up a new short position anytime in the 4s. You are getting squeezed, man, and you are in hibernation if you're a bear right now. If you want to be a bear, go short something with a high probability of success, man. Also, if you're gonna short this one, look at the past. This is a news-driven company, and if you've done your fundamental research, you understand why it's so hard to short this thing and why it's so hard to actually short-term time it, because it's unpredictable. Even in the recent past, it's unpredictable. Even in the recent past, it's unpredictable, man. Fundamentally, we're better than we ever are before. If inflation has not peaked, you shorts are in for a hell of a time. You don't even understand how bad it's going to get for you. That's what I think. If inflation has peaked right now, even if inflation is not really bad, oh my gosh, we're running again. Are we starting to run again? Volume just started, guys. Volume just picked up. Volume just picked up. 708 right now. Oh man. Oh man. I don't know if we're gonna run. I don't know what we're gonna do, but this is insane. This is insanity, man. This is the best day, man. Thank you so much for that donation, my friend. Thank you so much. The salt is for new Robbie. Oh man. Y'all are too funny. Y'all are too funny. Any crypto? James is a big clown. Yeah, he is. Perfect handle. Yeah, we have a bit of a handle here, guys. Yeah, I mean, it is a handle. Let's be honest. I mean, this is a cup and handle forming. There's no other way to say it. There's no other way to say it. Stay on until 8. No, I can't, man. I can't. Oh, I wish I could. I wish I could. I want to. I seriously wish I want to. I know you're joking, but I want to. I want to. With this after, I mean, there is a chance. I mean, next week, guys. Next week, we're going to be able to stream the whole day, man. Next week, we're going to stream the whole freaking market open, the market close. The good thing about the stock is a lot of people are accumulating and holding over time. Nice, steady climb. Yes, we are. Yes, we are, man. All right, last minute questions, then we're going to get out. I got to get out of here. It's 3:30 Central, man. I got to get out. We got to end the stream. It's 7:03 right now. Oh, man. Are we going to reach that $7? We need to hold 7. There's not really a wall. There's only a 1,000 share buy wall at $7. We need to hold that. I have an order for 10 shares in. Kept 1,000 shares, sold 2,500, was in the red for a month. I'll hold the 1,000 for a long time. That's fine. Hey, guys, if you're selling Bionano right now, that's fine. Obviously, I disagree with what you're doing, but hey, there's serious headwinds in the market. I understand. You need to go buy something new. You want to go reward yourself. You've been holding for a while. I understand it. Taking profits is never a bad thing. It's never a bad thing. Now, of course, for me, it's more than just making money at this point. It's about screwing the market manipulators over, giving them a taste of their own medicine, but not in a corrupt way. Just holding, not giving them any help. We're not trying to suppress the stock price. We're trying to give a great company a chance to revolutionize healthcare, and in doing that, revolutionize healthcare by increasing the life expectancy and life quality of everybody in the world. I mean, we're talking about increasing that for everybody. Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? There's proven manipulation. We're fundamentally undervalued. If inflation has peaked, if the markets don't shit themselves in these next few months, it's going to be very good short term. That's what's so exciting. Also, add on top of that, I'll add that on top of all of that, the shorts have not freaking covered. Not even close. Not even close, man. Not even close. Bngo goes down every time when it hears you're going to leave. That's too funny. That's too funny, man. I love y'all are comedians. I swear to God, y'all are comedians. I love this community. You need to make a Rick and Morty type shirt with the mad scientist working on Sapphire. Oh man, I went all in at $50 on AMC. I'm going to HODL. Curious to your opinion on that price. Okay, regardless of what is happening with AMC with the short interest data that I have not checked today, it's still really risky to hold. But it's better to hold. And honestly, I'm not that opposed to holding AMC right now as I was 2 days ago. Okay, because honestly, if we look at the weekly RSI and if we look at the weekly Bollinger Band right here, you're still above it, but you're not like way above it. Okay. Oh man, and let me look at the RSI here. On the weekly, you're at 87, so that's not good. 72 on the daily RSI, so that's not horrible. Here's the thing. AMC, I actually kind of want to trade this thing in the after hours, maybe, if I'm right. Yeah. AMC is really interesting at its current price because last time you touched that 21 SMA on the 4 hour, you got a huge bounce, and you're touching that right again. So it's interesting. If AMC, if the people can hold, oh man, we're running again. Oh, we're running again. Bionano's running again, man. It's trying to run again. 709. Oh my gosh, I can't leave. I can't leave, man. How am I supposed to leave when we have a perfect cup and handle here? I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh man. 710. Hammer candlestick. We have a hammer candlestick form. Are we about to break out right now? 711. The volume is picking up too. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. This is absolutely insane. What? Oh, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that sporadic move up real quick? That wick up? What was that? How can you have a wick up and then it just disappears? I mean, I know that happens sometimes, but what the hell? Oh my gosh, I can't. Last time you left, the price dipped. I know, I don't want to. I just got to stream forever. Man. I tell you what, I can leave the stream on. And just have the price action up. I could do that again if you want for a couple hours. Do y'all want me to leave? You want me to do that? I can come back maybe. I'm not going to be able to come back very often. So I can do. Y'all want me to do? I can do it if y'all want. The handle is finishing. This could be a breakout of the handle, but for sure we need a breakout above 720 though for sure to confirm it because there's not really a clear handle here. There's really not. So 709, 711, man. Yes. Order pizza and have family sit in the background. Oh man, I would be too nervous, man. I'd be too nervous. I wouldn't be myself if they were here, probably, honestly. So LFG, I love it. Oh, here we go, dumpage. We got dumpage 708. Oh, damn. Because they think it's reading my mind. I'm about to leave. That's why we're selling off right now. Oh man, 714. Are you kidding me? It's crazy, guys. If we close after hours above 7, you know what that means. Man. Wall at 725? No, it's not a wall at 725. I know you're joking. Bad form gaming. You know better than everyone else. You know that's bullshit. There's no other way to say it. It's as simple as it gets. This calls for a drink tonight. Yes, it does. Man. Amen to that, man. Reward yourself for all the work we've done, man. Holy crap. It's been a hell of a week. Let's say that again. Holy. I mean, man, we got manipulative articles trying to intentionally suppress the price. We've got freaking sell walls everywhere. We got fake walls everywhere. Bionano themselves being quiet, not that much PR. Markets freaking headwinds. And luckily, the ADP employment was not horrible for the markets. And luckily, the markets gave us a favor this week and gave us an opportunity to run, and we took it. And we took it, and we're running, and we broke out today. And if we can close the day above 7, I mean, you guys know how that's looking. You guys know how it's looking. You know how it's looking. You know what that means, man. You know what that means. Oh man, this could get crazy though. I'm gonna be checking my phone so much tonight. I'm gonna be checking my phone every single second. Make sure you guys, by the way, while we're kind of getting a slow moment right here, right? It's at 709. We're forming like another mini cup and handle, right? We're forming another mini cup and handle right here, almost, it looks like. Make sure you join the free Discord, guys. Make sure it's linked in every single description of live streams and videos. Free Discord link in the description, man. Cup and handle. 708. All right, we got to get out of here, man. We have Bngo addiction. I know we have bingo addictions right now. Cupception. Yeah, I guess. 708, man. 3% in the after hours, outperforming the nano dimension of migrant. Let me see the volume comparison now. Let me zoom in here, guys. We ended the day with 29 million, almost, well, not in the day. We'll still get a little bit close. We'll probably get close to 30 million volume by the end of the day, especially if we get some squeeze actually going, which I think is a possibility. The squeeze potential, a mini squeeze in the after hours is on the table. It's on the table, man. It certainly is. 24 million is what the average 3-month volume is. We are beating that, and we are beating the Nano Dimension. Not quite beating Microvisions, but we're getting there. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. 709. The Fintel website down on the 4 hourly. My friend, we're way above that on the 4 hourly. The 50 SMA on the 4 hourly, my friend, the 4 hourly SMA is way below that. The 4 hourly 50 SMA is at 606. It's right there. It's right there. That blue one right there. Yeah, it's that blue one right there. I don't know if you're looking at a different time frame or what, but yeah, to my understanding, that's what we're dealing with. Yeah, let's check Fintel. Let's check the data, man. Oh, wouldn't it be so great if it's what still? What is going on? What is this, man? What is this? Come on, man. It's down still. Wow. It's interesting. Interesting stuff going on there. Alpha, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Volume after hours means the word is getting out. Yes, it does. Yes, it does, my friend. Absolutely. And it also means that people know. And I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the volume uptick in the after hours here, and the reason why we're running is a combination of two things. People realizing the short share availability and realizing that Ortex data, the short interest is going up today slightly. There's no covering. There's no covering going on. Dude, if we can just hold out and just hold above $7 the next week, it's going to go up an insane amount. We're talking short squeeze. We're talking gamma squeeze potential. We can get a gamma squeeze and a short squeeze at the same damn time. It'd be a mega squeeze, man. Squeeze up to $8, man. I'm serious. I am serious. A short flow of 20%. 20% of the float has been sold short and not yet covered. I'm serious, man. I mean, the data is what it is. It's a spade. A spade is a spade, man. I'm calling it how it is, and that's how it's looking. If we close above 7, if we start seeing another run, okay, guys, hear me out right now. If we did go for if we went for a parabolic run after the after hours, if we actually started squeezing like up 5, 8, 10% in the after hours alone, and we started gapping above 725, I think we could squeeze. I'm serious. I swear to God, I think we can squeeze. If we held it, of course, we can end the day after hours down. Okay, seriously. And again, none of this can matter if next week the Nasdaq gaps down a ton. All the after hours work can just be wiped out. Seriously, but nonetheless, it just tells you that there is a lot. I mean, there is a squeeze on the horizon. It is there. Bionano is a very heavily shorted stock. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Okay, at the lowest, it's a 13% short interest of the shares outstanding. Of the flow, it's going to be 20%. According to Fintel. All right, we're out of here, man. We're out, but I want to see above 770 confirmed and go parabolic. Oh man, if the markets, dude, these next few weeks and months could be very interesting. If the markets do us any favors, it could be very interesting for Bionanians. It could be a very good time for the Fellowship of the Sapphire and Bionanians alike. But Brandon, we are mooning. I love it. A 710 right now. I love. Yeah, we are kind of mooning. But this isn't the mooning that I'm talking about. When I say moon, I'm talking $10. I'm talking $15. I'm talking $30 a share. Okay, it's only. I don't know when. I don't know if it's going to be this year, but I know it's only a matter of time. If and there's only one contingency. Long term, there's only one contingency to if Bionano makes us very happy and makes a lot of us millionaires. One contingency, and that is that if I am at all even in the same ballpark or realm to what they're actually doing as far as revenue projections and how great the Sapphire is compared to the other competition. I mean, you hear the company say, I mean, most of my information comes from the company itself. So if they're the only way, whoa, what the? What was that? What was that? Did y'all see that? I know that happens sometimes, but holy crap, that about gave me a heart attack. What? What is this? What is this? Stop it, manipulators. The market makers are freaking at it again, man. Holy crap. Wow, man. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Holy, dark pool? I don't know what that was. Yeah, dark pool orders. Yeah, honestly. What? There it is again. Ooh. Please tell me this is manipulation. Please tell me this is not real. It's happening with everything. There's manipulation going on with everything, man. The markets are glitching out. They can't take it. There's too many shorts about to get squeezed. They're trying to freaking erase all of our work. There's no volume coming in either. This is just pure manipulation, man. This is either manipulation or a glitch. Oh my gosh, what is this? I mean, that's the biggest hammer candle I've ever seen. Oh my, what? Nothing on the orders table. I know this is just manipulation. This has got to be manipulation. It's the only explanation. Up 4% in the after hours. We're above 710 right now. God, man. I love it. Yeah, there's no orders coming in. There's nothing coming in right now. There's nothing coming in. There's nothing. Look at the volume right here. There's nothing, man. Let me zoom in right here for you, man. The volume has just gotten less. That's how you know this is manipulation. Or at least how you know this is not real. That's how you know, man. Shorts at word. That's Bitcoin after Elon tweet. Wait, are you serious? Are you serious? I don't. Are you messing with me? Bitcoin hasn't done anything. Did Elon just tweet? I'm not going to check. I can't check. I don't have time to check that because Bionano is about to go parabolic, maybe. We're about to test 720. Oh, my God. I can't leave. I cannot leave. How do you expect me to leave right now? We're about to, it looks like we could literally go parabolic in the after hours right now. We could. When I say we might, we could. It's not guaranteed. Of course, there's risks. We could end the day freaking red. After hours, we could end the day down. Okay, mark my words. But the short interest data, the short interest has only increased according to Ortex, according to Fintel. Short share availability is very low, indicating that no one has covered. If we keep hanging out right here, man, oh, shorts are going to get burned. They're going to get burned. There's no other way to say it. They're going to get burned. They already have got burned, but they're not covering. They're not covering though. They're getting burned. They're in the red right now. Mark my words. Listen to me. They're in the red, but they're not covering. They think they can pull a fast one on us. They think them and their little weenie baby suit friends can freaking suppress the price. If they fail on that, if their manipulation does not match the level of freaking volume that the dip buyers and the Fellowship of the Sapphire freaking has, you're going to get a squeeze. There's no other way to say it. You're going to get a squeeze today if the freaking shorts cover, which they should. You're going to get some sort of squeezing today. Oh, man. This is too crazy. I can't even talk right now. My voice is done. I don't have any water left. I have no water left, man. I can't leave. We're testing 720. We're about to test 720, it looks like, man. Look at the volume. Oh, I got to take a breath. I got to take a breath real quick, man. 720, though, man. And look at the volume uptick. Look at this. The volume is there. Look at the level 2. We're getting thousands of shares traded, man. Thousands of shares are being bought right now. I would not be surprised. It would match the freaking price action. That's a bullish wake. Guys, look at this. You want to see what manipulation is? All my new viewers out there, all the people that are skeptical to the Bionano community, you want to know what true manipulation is? Come on. What is this? What is this manipulation, man? Here, let me be a little bit more clear here. This. How, man? Oh my gosh, look at this. Dude, there's manipulation in here. Guys, I didn't even see this before. There were orders. Look at this, okay? I'm going to do this quickly because we're about to freaking go parabolic maybe right here. But dude, look at this. 687. There were orders being filled at 687. I wouldn't be surprised if that's just the broker going in. There's not any big orders. But still, there were orders filled all the way down here. Man, what? It's like, how? We're getting also, guys, by the way, guys, if no one know, if I haven't already made this clear enough, there is a cup and handle forming right here. There's a cup and handle within a cup and handle. We've already broke out of the handle of this modified one. Now we need to break above the previous high being 720. That's our next goal, and then who knows how high we can get, man. The shorts are waiting. They're waiting to cover, and I know for a fact a lot, if not all, if not at least almost all of the shorts are waiting to cover because they think we're about to get rejected here. If we break out and start making higher highs and start seeing 720, 730, 750, dude, they're going to cover. And it's going to be a domino effect. We're going to freaking moon, man. I swear to God, we're going to moon if we break above this and we keep moving. Dude, the shorts have no choice. They have no choice but to cover. And if most of them can't trade after hours, guess what? That sucks for them because they didn't use Webull. Free link in the description if you want to use that quick plug right there. But most of them can, or at least some of them can, and they will cover because they know the danger. They know the danger that they're in right here, man. They know it. They know that they're in trouble. They know there's super high risk. If I was a short on Bionano right now, I would be freaking, oh man, I would be worried. I would be covering. That's what I would be doing. This is wild. Yes, it is. It's freaking wild, man. Oh my gosh, 720. There it is. Right when I look away. 720, boys. Let's zoom in there. 720 right now, testing the intraday, not the intraday, but the after hours high. 720. I can't leave. How do you expect me to leave right now? This is insanity. This is insanity, man. A short squeeze is on the horizon. I'm not kidding. I don't know if it's going to happen, but it's there. I don't know if we're going to effectuate it, but the possibility is there. Jeff Hemker, thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. All in. God, you guys are too good. You guys are too nice to me. You guys are too legendary, man. 720 right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is insanity. Let's go to 8. Oh my God, there it is. There it is. 721, guys. We just made it. Oh my God, there it is. It's starting. It might be starting right now. 5% up in the after hours. Holy shit. Oh, oh man. This could be it. This could be it, but we got to clear 723. There you go. We got to clear this. We got to clear this, and we got to hold above it. That's the only way the shorts are going to cover. They could just be doubling down right now. I swear they could just be doubling down. These shorts are more stubborn than anyone. The Bionano shorts are just as stubborn, if not more stubborn, than the damn AMC guys. I promise you. I promise you they are, because they've been manipulating Bionano far longer than they've been manipulating AMC, man. 5% right now. 721. We got to clear this, and then it's it's free game. It's free game, man. There's no, and guys, this is what makes it so exciting. We're gonna go over the short interest data in a second here. Up 5% after hours, but look at the resistance. If we clear, this is where we're at right here. Let me look at the 4-hourly chart. It'll be simpler. If we clear this level of resistance right now, guess what? At least on my chart, there's nothing drawn up until 50% retracement, being $8.11. Ape language, there are no significant levels of resistance until freaking $8. It's as simple as it gets, man. It's as simple as it gets. We're not even in the $7 range yet, but we are in the $7 range yet, and we've got farther to go. It's just a battle of the shorts and it's a battle of the freaking of wills. It's a battle of wills right now. 715, man. We just got rejected. We got to clear it. We got to clear this level. We can't just get rejected here, man. We're getting a little bit of a double top and modified double top. 715 right now. It'd be great if we can confirm this as a new support. We were getting rejected here before. It'd be great if we can confirm this as a new support. Of course, guys, I want to preface by saying the number one goal, basically the most important goal of this after hours run, is to close above $7. Of course, this could be the parabolic squeeze this after hours. I swear to God, there is a chance. I'm not calling it. I'm not predicting a squeeze. I'm not predicting the parabolic squeeze to be today. But if we close above $7, and let me be clear here, there is a chance for a parabolic squeeze right now. Right now. I'm serious. I mean, you guys have seen the short interest data. You guys have seen what I'm seeing, and that's my extrapolation. You can disagree with me, but it's there. Okay, factually, the shorts have not covered. We have room to go. There's no resistance coming. Manipulation is proven. The shorts are going to cover if we stay up here enough. It's just a fact. They have to cover. They have to. They have to, man. They're going to lose a ton of money if they don't. I mean, they already are losing a ton of money. The longer they go without covering, the more likely it is that they will. The more risk they take. But guys, if we do in the day, if this is nothing, right? If this whole stream is, it's whatever. It's still worth it, right? We're still having a great time here. But if we close above 7, it's still great for next week. We close above 7 in the after hours. Markets open up green Monday. We'll see freaking 750. We'll see freaking $8 maybe. I mark my words. We're likely to see those numbers. We're likely to see them. I don't know if we will. I can't predict the future. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you I know what's going to happen. No one does. They're lying to you if anyone tells you they know what's going to happen. But it looks very good. The markets is the only thing that can screw us right now. 718. Oh man, are we going up for another retest? Oh man. I can't end the stream. I can't end it, man. I can't end it. We may see 8 now. New article. Hold on. New article. Hold on. Post it. You're making me too excited. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Post the link right now. On Wall Street Bets. What? New article. Bngo stock. Wall Street Bets is betting on a big short squeeze for Bionano. Here's why Bngo stock is on the move today. Investor place. Okay, simulate here. Let me just look that up right now. Here. Let me look up. Let me hear. There's nothing. Here. Let me type in that article. Please give me the link for that. No, I can't type. Wall Street Bets is betting big on a stock, on a short squeeze. Hold on. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. We're going to go back to the chart in 1 second. Hold on. I got to see if there's a new article here. This better be good. For Bionano. Oh, is this it? No, that's BB. Oh my gosh. Come on. Send me the link. Send me the link. Somebody send me the link in the Discord, please. Or email it, whatever you can. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Thank you so much. Y'all are awesome. Y'all are awesome. Y'all, I love y'all. Betting on a big short squeeze. Okay, this better just got released. 4:42 Eastern time. It's 3:52 Central time. Okay, this just got released 10 minutes ago. This just got released. Okay, good. The price is going sideways. Good. Just what we want. Okay. Well, many of the meme stocks sold down today. Oh my God, I hate it. Oh my God, stop calling us a meme stock. We are not a meme stock right now. You want to know what a meme stock is? Blackberry, AMC, the ones that actually get upvotes. Dude, Wall Street Bets removes our posts on Wall Street Bets. We are not a meme stock by any definition. I mean, unless you want to just say, oh, it's on Reddit, it's a meme stock. Like, okay, fine. We still got better fundamentals than any other stock in the game. I swear to God we do. While many meme stocks saw a down day today, Bionano's moves higher is indicative of shifting sentiment on this company. Yes, it is. Indeed, Bngo stock is getting a lot of love on various social media. And no, that's not really true now, is it? That's not really true. That's not really true. Let's look at this let's look at this data that he has. Let's look at this. That's not true, man. That's not true. It's just not true. Look at this. We're nowhere. What are you talking about? This is bullshit. This is bull. Where are you pulling these freaking stats? Where are you pulling this out? Mentions over time. It's gone up. That's the stop price. Mentions over time went way up. It spiked for a second, but now it's way down. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, man? This is crap. There's no way. Okay, tell me where the Wall Street Bet posts are. I'll try to find them right now. It's not happening. 721? Oh, ooh. No, the Wall Street Bets are not here. No. The Wall Street Bets are not here. Guys, if the Wall Street Bets boys were here, we would be squeezing. So I swear to God, we'd be squeezing right now. Mark my words, we'd be squeezing right now if the Wall Street Bets guys were here. I swear, we would be. We would be squeezing to the freaking $10 a share. We would be at the moon and Mars right now if the Wall Street Bets were on our cause. I just checked Wall Street Bets earlier today, and I was on there yesterday a ton. They are not. It's not true. It's false information, and it's actually more bullish, guys, because when we actually do get it, there's nothing about Bngo in any of the top votes. None. There's zero. Somebody fact check me right now. Have you even seen any Bngo posts with any sort of 100 upvotes at all? No. It's nowhere. There's nothing here. 724. Holy shit. After hours high. 724. After hours high. 5% in the green right now. We're approaching. We got the after hours high. We're about to test the intraday high. Holy shit, man. This is insane. The intraday high is 734. We're about to test that. We got to clear this level and we got to hold above it. Oh my God, this is insanity. This is insanity. I'm never going to be able to end. I'm a slave to my computer. I can't leave. How do you expect me to leave when we're about to go parabolic here maybe? I mean, a parabolic squeeze is not off the table. The possibility is there. It's there. They're not covering. The shorts are not covering. Is Fintel still down? It's still down. What is this? What is this bull crap, man? What is this? We are on Wall Street Bets. We're nowhere. We are nowhere, man. Yeah, no, I already saw that. Dude, that's nothing. What are you talking about? This is like 100 upvotes. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This is like 5 days ago. This is 4 days ago. Trust me, I was on this post. It's 200 upvotes. Let me give you a fact here, man. I had a Wall Street Bets post, and I got like 400 upvotes right here. Okay? This was like a month ago. I got 1,000 freaking awards. Do you know what the stop price did? 0. Okay, we need thousands of upvotes to be considered a meme stock. Mark my words. Unless we're actually getting mainstream recognition from Wall Street Bets, it's not a meme stock. At least in my definition. At least in the Wall Street Bet definition, it's not. It's not. That was 5 days ago, and there's only 200 upvotes. That does not count. That does not count. That's 200 upvotes, man. We got like 15. We did not even get 20 people saying they would buy. We're talking about a $1.7 billion market cap, dude. A $1.7 billion market cap. That does not, no. That does not count. That does not count on my book. Absolutely not. The Wall Street Bets boys and apes are not with us. They're not with us. I want them to be. This is a step in the right direction, but no, they're not with us, man. It's as simple as it is. It's as simple as it is, man. We don't have any freaking articles or any freaking posts on Wall Street Bets that got any traction. This is the only one. This one and this one. Those are the only two out of the whole last freaking month, man. Tell me anything else. There's nothing. There's nothing. As simple as it gets, man. I mean, come on. I'm not making this stuff up. Y'all are seeing the same stuff I am. I mean, call me out. Fact check me if I'm wrong, but it's just the truth. It's just the truth. All right, but let's go back to this article, man. Let's actually read this article. This is crap, man. This guy, meme stock. Yeah, no, it's not true. We can see a narrative building around Bngo stock. And actually, before we actually read the rest of this, let me pull the stock up and actually tell you why it's bullish, that that Wall Street Bets hasn't adopted us yet. Yeah, if they do, I shouldn't say yet. They have not adopted us to this point. If they do, if they actually join our cause, not only to screw over the manipulators, not only the manipulation that is proven in the stock, not only are we fighting that if you invest in Bionano, you're helping to revolutionize healthcare by putting the company in a more auspicious position to effectuate their global Sapphire adoption, their nano nozzle, their non-invasive prenatal testing, postnatal testing. I mean, what else can you ask for, man? We're talking about increasing the life expectancy and life quality of everybody. Everybody, me, you, your dog, your cat. Okay, maybe, well, actually animals too. They do animals as well. Hell, maybe animals as well. Okay, you get my point, man. You get my point. Also, the icing on the cake, short interest is high. 20% short interest, man. According to Fintel, it's 20%. The shares outstanding short interest is 13%. Okay, whatever. 13%, 10%, 20%, they're all high numbers. They're all high numbers in my book. There are shorts for us to squeeze if Wall Street Bets were to help us, dude. Oh my God. I mean, we could go to freaking $30. I swear to God. Now, I don't want to give you guys false hope, but if Wall Street Bets were to help us, now I don't think they will because they have rejected us before. A lot of them have seen us and downvoted us. A lot of them have. I guarantee you. I mean, I speak from personal experience. A lot of the Wall Street Bet apes, for some reason, they got a chip against Bionano. They don't like us. They don't like the Bionanians. Maybe they don't like the Fellowship of the Sapphire. I don't know why, because it's the perfect Lord of the Rings meme. It's perfect. It's literally I have a video that I posted on Wall Street Bets. It got like 50 upvotes. 50. I mean, it didn't even get any exposure. The Wall Street Bet squeeze, if it is going to happen, it has not happened yet. That's damn sure. That's damn sure, man. All right, indeed, the investing world has completely changed. The rise. If anyone's just getting in right now, this is a new article that was just released about not even 20 minutes ago. All right. The rise of zero fee investing has brought an army of day traders looking to make a quick buck. Accordingly, traditional buy and hold. Oh my God. I hate how they give Wall Street Bets such a negative implication. Why do all boomers hate freaking Wall Street Bets? Come on, man. Be positive, man. We're screwing the manipulators. God damn, man. Like, okay, yeah. Maybe you are neglecting the traditional buy and hold long term. But guess what? You're making money and you're screwing the manipulators. It's for a good cause. Say, sure, call it stupid, call it gambling, whatever, man. It's fun and it's screwing the manipulators and it's for a good cause. So why are you giving such a negative implication, man? All right, anyways, let's take a look at whether Bionano has what it takes to be the next meme stock. A silver above 13%. Indeed, that is high. Yes, but questions remain as to whether this... Oh my God. I hate this person. I want to strangle this person in their freaking sleep. Let me debunk this, guys. This is why you have to watch these streams, man. This is why you have to keep up with the channel, because there's so much misinformation around that luckily I don't know everything, but at least I know enough to freaking debunk this shit. All right. Indeed, that's high. Questions remain as to whether this percentage, right? 13% SI, right? That's what it is. Y'all probably can't even understand that. But anyways, it's 13%, right? For the apes to orchestrate an effective short squeeze. Guys, Blackberry is the new target for a Wall Street Bet squeeze, and they have a lower freaking percentage. Let that sink in. Let the stupidity of this freaking journalist sink in. He just said, let me reiterate here. He just said, and make sure, guys, if we're testing intraday highs or after hours highs, make sure you're telling me, and make sure y'all spam the chat so I actually go back to the chart. But right now, I want to go over this article that was released not 20 minutes ago, right? Blackberry is not even higher than us right now, and this guy is saying, "Oh, questions remain," as if this is high enough for the apes. You better bet your ass it's high. It's higher than Blackberry, which is their new target. You freaking retard, man. I hate to be crude, but it's just the truth. It's as simple as it is, man. It's a spade is a spade. Typically, companies with short interest rates around 20% or higher are better targets. Oh my gosh, I hate this. This guy is trying to spread misinformation and trying to get this. I bet this guy has a short position in Bionano. However, in this day and age, enough attention given to one specific top should. Oh my gosh. Such a scenario could result in a self-fulfilling prophecy where this company's short volume ratio goes up. That remains to be seen. For now, social media related hype is what investors appear to be relying on. What? Oh, I'm gonna freaking die right now. I'm just gonna self-combust in the freaking dust. I can't take this. This is just misinformation. For now, social media related hype. What hype? What are you talking about? Okay, your little statistic here, this little site that you gave here is shit. This is not evidence. This is not evidence for freaking more mentions. Okay, this is crap. Where are they? Show me the mentions on Wall Street Bets. Show me them, okay? Wall Street bets. There's no way. Okay, here, let me actually click this one right here. No, I don't want that. No. No, take me here. Gosh, dang it, man. This is your evidence? This is your evidence. But this is your evidence, and oh my god, I want to strangle these people. I can't even take it, guys. I'm literally starving, and my voice is hurting at this point, but I can't take it. I gotta debunk this crap. This is bull. This is bull, man. None of these are big posts. Show me the big post that we actually got. This is all bull. All right, anyways, I gotta go. We gotta move on. All right, yeah, social media related hype. It's not. Okay, even if we have hype, it's not enough. It's not enough to be considered a meme stock in my book, at least. And even if it is, it's nothing compared to what it would be if Wall Street Bets were to actually adopt this. My friend, thank you so much for the donation. Obi-Wan Bngo. Oh my god, I love that name. Always gets me. That's the best name of all time, man. This is a real business. At the end of the day, this is a real business with real fundamentals and growth aspects. However, these important details don't seem to matter. Whether or not investors get in on Bionano today largely seems to depend on which side of the fence investors sit. Dipshit, of course. Every stock price is going to be freaking determined by what the investors think short term. God. Oh, I hate this. Accordingly, investors need to be aware of the risks and potential rewards of taking a position in Bngo stock today under these circumstances. This article has done nothing for me but show me and prove to me that the freaking... Let's just look at this guy. Is this guy a boomer? I don't know. It looks like about 30, 40 years old. Doesn't look like that much of a boomer. But man, the freaking articles and journalists do not understand. They just don't understand. That's the only explanation. It's as simple as it gets, man. They're trying to spread the damn misinformation. That was a misinforming article right there. This is misinformation. It is. Okay, look at, oh my god, this is just stupid as hell. Wall Street Bets is betting on a big short squeeze for Bionano. Is that what you say for every stock that gets like 5 mentions that don't get any upvotes? No, what the hell is this, man? What is this? I mean, I like that it's bringing more exposure, but we need more. We need more, man. Guys, I want everybody right now. I have an assignment and I have a job for everybody. Spam Bngo or no go and Wall Street Bets. Guys, I'm serious. Don't spam stuff, but I want y'all, and I'm going to be doing this later tonight. I don't know if I have time, though. I got to leave. Man. I'm going to be freaking late to a thing that we're doing with the freaking... I got to leave pretty soon, man. I got to leave within like 30 minutes. I got to leave. Here, let me see what time I got to go exactly. 1 second, boys. 1 second. Okay, 5. Okay, I got time. Never mind, I got time. Screw that. I got time. I got a little bit of time. I'm with y'all. I'm with y'all for now. I'm with y'all for now, man. Here we go. Let's face that camera up. There we go. Y'all got to make Wall Street Bet posts, man. Y'all got to make the Wall Street Bet posts. You have to make them, and you have to make them good, and you have to make them worth it. If you are a new beginner investor, this is for my OGs. This is for Always Right, for Boomstick, for Bngo, for all my OGs, right? I'm forgetting 1,000 of you, okay? Literally, okay? I need y'all to work on a Wall Street Bet post right now if you can, if you want to, right? Of course, that is what we need, all right? Wall Street Bets, if we get them involved, it's a damn net positive. It is a net positive. Mark my words, I promise you, okay? I can't guarantee anything, but I basically can. I can guarantee you that in my mind, I mean, it is. Okay, screw it. 100%. 99.99999%. If Wall Street Bets were to get involved and help us squeeze this to whatever number, it is a net positive for the company's growth. Don't give me the argument that it's going to stop natural growth and it's unnatural growth. No, man. The stock price is not the company, man. The company is going to just grow more. It's going to be more natural growth. It's going to be increased natural growth for the company if we were to squeeze. I'm telling you, man. I swear, man. Oh, I'm so tired right now. I can't even talk right now. I need water. I need to go refill my water. What are we at? 7:20 right now. Testing the intraday high, man. I'm gonna have to run and go refill my water. Hearn, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. Oh man, I think Wall Street Bets wants memes go. I gotta calm down for a little bit. I'm gonna freaking die. I'm gonna fall in my chair. Oh, I gotta take a couple deep breaths. All right, right now, testing the intraday high, 7:20. We just had a bullshit article. Right now, I'm gonna go refill. I'm gonna go run and refill my water real quick. Do we need a short squeeze? I think this company will grow organically really successfully. Thanks for the stream. No, we don't necessarily need a short squeeze, but actually if we're gonna show the manipulators that they can't mess with Bionano stock without getting some pushback, then we need one. We need one for sure. Guys, let me make that very clear. I know I'm fine, guys. I'm fine. Guys, if you guys don't want a short squeeze, that's fine. If you're one of those people that thinks Wall Street Bets ruins the stock's natural growth somehow, that Wall Street Bets making the stock go higher makes sales go down, fine. That's fine. That's your opinion. Let me tell you something. If Wall Street Bets were to pump us to $10, sales are going to increase, if anything. Okay, why? It's more attention, it's more publicity, it's more long-term investors, it's more auspicious position for the company to do great things. Self-proclaimed goal, global sapphire adoption. That's more auspicious with Wall Street bets behind us. I'm telling you, it's factual. It's 99.99999% chance. There's no argument against that, dude. Dude, let me tell you something. If you want to make that argument, the natural growth argument, that's the only one that they have. And I don't, guys, I don't mean to be disrespectful to y'all. I respect y'all. I do. But I'm telling you, we need to have one mindset here. We need to all be on the same page for a Wall Street bet squeeze. We're not pump and dumping. We're not pumping and dumping. And I have a video explaining in great detail. Most of you have heard the spiel, and that's why I'm not giving you it right now. Most of you have heard it already. It's called How Bngo Can and Will Be the Next AMC. It's right there. I'm going to link it in the description right now. If you don't think it would be if you don't think Wall Street bets would be a good thing for the stock, watch that video right now. Watch it right now, man. Screw this video right now, man. You can come back later, right? It's slow. Right now we're going sideways, right? Watch it, and we do deserve it. We deserve the squeeze more than anyone. We have a world-changing product. Well, here's the thing. Manipulation is proven, and I'm going to make a Reddit post today. Hopefully, if I have time. I don't know if I will. Do y'all want me to just make a Reddit post right now? I feel like I should. I feel like it's more important if I work on a good-ass Reddit post right now, and then use the YouTube exposure and all of the Bionano, the Fellowship of the Sapphire community to go upvote and pump that post, because it's all truth. I can make a Reddit post detailing the proof of manipulation, and I can tell everyone that it's a legitimate company and that the short interest is high. I can do that right now if y'all want. If y'all want me, I can just leave the stream on right here. Actually, I can't, because I would have to use this laptop. I guess I could use it on the other one, but I guess I can just make one right now. Strike while it's hot, pump post. We're not trying to pump and dump, man. But here, I'll tell you what. I can just make it on my other freaking thing here. I will lead the Bngo apes. Yes, I will. I will lead them. I swear to God, I will lead them. It's what I was born to do. It's what I was born to do, man. I at the fundamental level, I am a Bionanian. I am a part of the Fellowship of the Sapphire, but I'm not an ape. I'm not an AMC ape or a GME ape. I'm a Bngo Fellowship of the Sapphire member, man. I'm Aragon. No, I'm not. I wish. 724 right now. Testing the after hours high. Yep. What's the chance of a shares offering? Very low. Very low. I've debunked that claim very often. I basically have it confirmed at this point through very nice sources that there's a very low chance of an offering. And if it was an offering, they would probably be acquiring someone. They're not going to do another offering. They're not going to. There's an extremely low chance. I'm not worried about an offering at all. And if there is an offering, guys, mark my words, if there is an offering, I will be adding shares no matter what that offering deal is. I will. And guys, also think about this. If there's an offering, it's going to be an at the market offering, and it's not going to be at a premium. So it's not. So I wouldn't really. Here's the thing: if an offering were to happen, yes, we're going to dip like 10% probably, or maybe even 15% worst case. But guess what? It's a buying opportunity. Historically, in the last two offerings that we did on the way up, you buy the dip, and you would have made a lot of money. And that's what I did, actually. I used to do that, and I'm going to do that again. But no, it's not very likely. I would say there's less than a 5% chance that we get an offering. Or, you know what, I shouldn't say 5. That's a little bit too bullish or biased, maybe. I should say less than 10% chance we get an offering, and that's based on a lot of evidence that I can go over right now. I have posts, I have videos, I have several videos on the channel explaining to you why there's no dilution or an offerings coming. You can go watch those, but I'll just sum it up right now. The CFO, the Chief Financial Officer, has said that the two offerings that they've done has already secured their cash position for the next 2 years. We don't have any cash problems right now. We don't have a problem of running out of money. We have like 360 million in cash right now. It's not likely to happen. It's not likely to happen. I just posted on Wall Street Bets Mood, man. Always right. Jason Smith, my friend, if you're watching, I would love if you could do a nano nozzle post about sequencing on Wall Street Bets or something. I don't know, whatever, man. All my OGs. I want my OGs, please, if y'all can. Right now or later. I guess most of y'all are on your phone right now, but if y'all can help me, man. Wall Street Bets, dude, we are going to try our best to get Wall Street Bets to know about why this company is worth a squeeze. We're going to be doing it right. I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be working my ass off to do that. I'll tell you what, I'm going to be up till freaking 12 o'clock midnight tonight. I swear to God, that's a promise to you. I'll be up as late as I can until I get several Wall Street Bet posts doing well. That's a promise to y'all. That's a promise to the Fellowship of the Sapphire community, which is y'all, man. I hope some of y'all help me. I hope some of y'all help me with some Wall Street Bet posts. Oh, man, but I got to go run and get some water, man. I think I can still stream for about another, to be safe, I can stream for another 50 minutes max, but I should probably end it before then. I probably should, but Oh man, I can't. I feel so bad ending the stream with a parabolic squeeze at a possibility, man. I feel so bad. I feel so bad ending the stream right now. I can't. Owen, thank you, or Glenn, thank you so much. I can't see. Sorry, I apologize. My contacts, man. I can't do it. I can't do it. $5. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How high are you projecting the increase would be? That's a great question. How, guys? Best case scenario, bull case scenario. I don't want to get your guys' hopes up, and there's 1,000 contingencies. Markets open up red yet next week. Inflation happens. We're going to see $5 before we see 10 maybe, okay? But best case scenario, right? Best case, bull case, there's a low chance of this. I would say it's still a realistic chance. It's still more than a 5% chance of happening. Probably more like a 10 to 15% in the after hours, or at least next week. Oh my God, we got the manipulation happening again. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Why is that only on the 30 minutes? Did y'all see that? I hope someone else saw that. We just literally dipped down all the way down here. Also, by the way, I want y'all to look at the freaking shares right now. 20,000 shares. I hope those are not being sold. But yeah, guys, the best case scenario, man. Best case scenario. Oh my God, look at this. What the heck? What? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, guys, look at this. Guys, this is bullish. The manipulators are getting in. Guys, we just dipped down by market manipulation. There was just 6,500 shares filled at 687, and those are bought shares. Why are those bought? Because I mean, it's basically just a fact, okay? Because why would you be selling shares at 687? Okay, you'd be up if you just held, right? 6,000 shares just got bought at 687, essentially, man, essentially. Thank you, Santiago Zapata. Thank you so much, my friend. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry, but yeah, best case scenario, man, dude. $8. $8 today. $8 today is the best case scenario. And I say that not only because the shorts have not covered yet factually, but because that's the next level of significant resistance. $8.11. Realistically, that's probably what we could see in the after hours. I mean, technically, it could get parabolic. Technically, if Wall Street Bets starts actually adopting us, if Wall Street Bets could actually see sense and actually see why this should be squeezing, yeah, we would see $10. We would see $10 next week. Yeah. I'm serious. I mean, there's no Wall Street Bets they should invest in Bionano. They should. It's got everything you need. It fills all the requirements for Wall Street Bets. Proven manipulation, a good company. I mean, the good company is a bonus. It's fundamentally undervalued. It's got proven manipulation and a high short interest, man. So that's all you need. A spade is a spade, man. If there's any Wall Street Bet apes here, consider helping us out and spreading the word on Wall Street Bets. All right, I'm gonna have several posts tonight. I promise you about why the apes should consider it for next week. But yeah, you guys do your part right now. Right now, do your part if y'all want. I know I should go get a drink, but I can't. It's too crazy. I can't go get a drink. I can't do it. Hopefully I will by the end of this because my voice is hurting, but I can't. Fintel. Let's check Fintel data right now. I can't leave. I feel like an ass leaving. I'm not a true leader if I leave, man. And it would only be for like 1 minute, but still. Do you think Bngo will need FDA approval? We will get FDA approval eventually, but we don't necessarily need it. For anyone that's just getting in right now, let me just recap this right now. I feel like it's kind of quiet right now. I feel like I should go get water right now, man. I'm dying. My freaking stomach hurts, man. Oh God. All right, but yeah, we need basically if we can clear above 724, and it looks like we are, because we are hanging out in this level of resistance right now, and we're confirming 719, 720-ish as a new support. We're trying to, at least. If we get a bounce off of this, it could get very, very sweet, very quick. Or the shorts double down and we end the day barely above 7, or we go down in the after hours or pre-market. Everything is on the table, but a betting man would say there's a real chance. And when I say you need to listen to me very carefully, guys. I need to be extremely clear here. There's a chance that we go parabolic in the after hours. Not a big one. It's not a big one. I mean, it's definitely I would say it's better than 5%. It's more than 10%. I don't know. Maybe it's about 10%, but there's definitely a chance that we can cover. I mean, there's definitely a chance that we can squeeze in the after hours and go parabolic. And I say that not only because of short interest data that I've explained 5,000 times, but I can explain that again if you want, but also because there's not any freaking room. There's not any resistance until $8.11, $8.11, man. There's nothing. I apologize if I don't sound as energetic right now. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to. I'm sorry. I try to not yell all the time for my voice reasons, okay? but as I was saying, basically 811. There's a short squeeze on the horizon. Not, oh yeah. Also, sorry. I remember what I was saying. Wall Street Bets. The Wall Street Bets ticker mentions is going up. It's going up right now, man. It's going up right now. So if Wall Street Bets were to adopt us, it's over. You mark my words, son. We're going to go to freaking $10 next week. If Wall Street Bets actually were to take us into one of the next targets, like Blackberry, it's done. It's done. I swear to God, mark my words. If Wall Street Bets actually adopted us, right, a couple thousand upvotes on most of their on some upvotes, I will add and YOLO in on with all of this freaking money. I swear to you right now, it's a promise to you. I will YOLO all of this in Monday pre-market. We will start the stream at freaking 3 a.m. Central Time, right when the freaking market opens, or market right when the pre-market opens, or market open, whatever. Y'all pick the time. I will YOLO everything in. I swear to you. That's my promise to y'all. And it's because I believe if Wall Street Bets were to actually adopt this, I believe we can go to $10, $15, $30. I believe Bngo can go to freaking $30 and beyond if Wall Street Bets adopts us like they did AMC. Mark my words, man. Mark my words. Glenn, thank you so much. Glenn, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Angel. Thank you so much. Cheers to your passion, Brandon. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. All right, I'm gonna go fill my water here in a second. I am going to in a second. Okay. Glenn, thank you so much, man. You don't have to, my friend, you don't have to do this. Thank you so much, though. All that money, guys, I don't mean this to be a salesman, but I do feel like I need to say this. I have done a video on this already explaining how much money I made from YouTube and what I plan on doing with that money, but I'll say it right here, right? All of it is Bngo shares, basically. There's 1,000 of it. There's basically 2,000 of it is going to donations, the first 2,000 of it, and most of that is actually already done, and then the rest of it is Bngo shares. It's all Bngo shares, man. I swear to God, it's all Bngo shares. I'm YOLOing 10K. That's the goal, man. That's the goal. Alpha Light, thank you so much. Thanks for the hard work, bro. Future Bngo heirs. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Still sitting in traffic watching low. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I'm so thankful for what we've been able to do and achieve thus far with the community. I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate all of y'all. 721 right now, about to test the after hours high. I try to not do the whole thank you appreciative. Oh, thanks for 4,000 subscribers mode, just because I know that no one cares. We care about stocks, and I also know that when I watch YouTube, I hate when a YouTuber does like a 5-minute freaking spiel on that. So that's why. But I want to say in a quick way, right? Y'all know my heart goes out to y'all. You know, I'm very thankful for y'all. I'm very thankful for y'all. Glenn, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. You don't have to do it though. Thank you. Glenn is killing it. My friend Glenn Giffers, my friend. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. I'm sorry. I don't know how. I feel so bad. I don't know how. Glenn, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Freaking salute. Freaking. That's what's burning the shorts right there, man. That's what's burning the shorts. The binding of this freaking community. The binding and togetherness by this freaking community, man. That's what it is. That's one thing. If the channel blows up, man, dude. If the channel blows up, not only are more people, and I'm not trying to, I feel like I'm being a salesman, but I need to tell you all this because this is important. This is very important for the squeeze chance for Bionano, so it's mutually beneficial. If the channel were to blow up, let's say the channel does well in the next few months, not only am I YOLOing all of the money that I make from YouTube into Bngo, but more people that see the due diligence that we've done, more people that realize the strength and tenacity and togetherness and bindedness of the freaking Bionanians and the Fellowship of the Sapphire. More people that see that, more people that invest, stock price go higher, stock price go boom, portfolio go burr. Everyone makes money. Everyone's happy, man. Everyone's happy. It's a mutually beneficial thing, man. It's a mutually beneficial. Glenn, thank you so much. My God, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, Obi-Wan, Bngo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And before Brandon gets to the moon, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that so much. I really do. Glenn the GOAT, 721 right now. $721. What's your price target by the end of the year? That's a good question. I'm going to get my current positions spreadsheet up right now. I actually have right here. Do I not have it? Here we go. My end of year likely case for Bionano is $20. I'm going to upgrade this to freaking $50 if Wall Street Bets were to freaking adopt our cause. I mark my words. I'm serious when I say that. Okay, maybe not 50, but like 30, 45, 50. I don't know. If Wall Street Bets were to adopt us, I want everybody working their ass off. If you have time, if you feel like you're a part of the community enough to do this, if you have time, if you can, if you are an OG and if you know and understand the company to a fair degree, right? If you're an average knowledge of Bionano, please consider posting on Wall Street Bets and doing what you can. Please, please, man. I'm telling you, it would be a net positive. It would be so good. It would be so good. Screw the manipulators, revolutionize healthcare, put the company in a more auspicious way, and more auspicious opportunities to do it. I'm telling you. Oh man, short interest is high. Short interest is high, man. Okay, we got about 4 or 5, almost 5 dojis in a row here in the after hours. I'm gonna go refill the water real quick. Glenn, thank you so much. You're insane, Glenn. Oh my God, Glenn. If Wall Street Bets adopted us, then 10x easy to $60, dude. I mean, if Wall Street Bets actually did adopt us like a little bit, like even a fair amount, like get a couple of thousand upvotes on one post, even I can see us going 100% on Monday. I'm serious. That sounds crazy, and I feel like I'm spreading false hope, but I'm not, because that's just the truth. That's what I think. That's what my gut tells me. If Wall Street Bets adopted us and saw all of the crazy advantages in investing in Bionano over their other things like Blackberry and GME, right? Nothing against them, but Bionano will attract a huge audience on Wall Street Bets, and I think there's every reason, everything about the company leads me to believe that Wall Street Bets will love this. It's just getting the word out. It's getting the word out, man. And whether that's through a post, or whether that's through FOMO or whatever, man, volume, right? Whether that's through someone else's post, whatever, man. As long as we get the Wall Street Bet apes to know about Bionano, I think there's a very high chance that they will invest. I think there's a very high chance that they will adopt us and help us freaking level the playing field and screw over the damn manipulators, guys. I'm telling you, man. The short data is what it is. A spade is a spade, man. It's as simple as it gets. I mean, the shorts haven't covered. The short interest increased today, according to Ortex. Okay? Fintel.io, short share availability. Let's check it. Let's see if it updated, man. Let's see if it updated. Here we go. Let's see. Fintel's finally is working again. Let's see what we got here. Not even updated. Okay, here you go. It's the same. It's 250,000 shares, short share availability. They've all been lent out. There's only 250,000 shares available to short. The short interest has risen. It's risen. I'm telling you, man. New filing. What? New file. You make me freaking stress out. Y'all better have those links for me. Let me go to the Discord. New file, institutional ownership? Yes, please. Let's get some freaking news in here. That's exactly what we need. Institutional investment, man. That's exactly what we need to kickstart this freaking squeeze. Thank you so much, Pro. You're simply unbelievable. Thanks, my friend. That means a lot to me. My friend, I swear to God, I thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't understand how happy I am right now, guys. You don't understand. Glenn, thank you so much. Oh my God. I feel y'all are absolutely fantastic. New file. Oh, here we go. All right, all right, I'll get to the thank yous in 1 second. Oh, no. That's not what we want to see. Okay, well, it looks like, damn. All right, that's not what we want to see. We have somebody selling shares. 604 is the file date, and if we actually click right here, we can actually see the details. Okay, so the effective date was March 31st. They sold... This is so confusing. They sold shares at okay, that's their average price. Okay. They sold shares at $5.58 on March 31st, and I believe they sold shares because the shares change percentage is in the negative, right? So their shares lessened, right? The last filing they had 35,000. Now they only have 27,000, and they sold shares. They didn't sell them at $5.58. They sold them on March 31st, but they still have an average price of $5.58. So that is bearish. Let's see what freaking institution this is. Reports 21% decrease in ownership of Bionano. These guys are freaking idiots, man. These guys are freaking idiots. If they would have added back then, they would be in the green right now. Oh my God, these guys are stupid. And guys, remember, these filings that we get right now, it's not people selling right now. These guys sold on March 31st. That's the effective date. That's the transaction date, man. The file date is right now, okay? So it's not... 13F/A1, man. It's not like they're selling right now. They sold earlier. They were wrong. Oh my God, we got like 7 dojis in a row right here. Holy crap. Dude, it's not, I would not, guys, here's another thing, right? The institutional ownership is the exact same as it was before, right? So it was not, and it's only, let's see, how many shares did he sell exactly, right? So it looks like he sold about 7,700, I think. No, 7,000. 7,000-ish. I don't know the exact math because my brain's not that good at quick math. Okay, somebody tell me the exact shares, but about 7,000. 7,000 shares is what they just sold on March 31st. Like idiots, they would be in the green right now if their average price is $5.58. They should have added, but that's what you get with institutions. Some of them are, like we say, some of them are monkeys that run around and bang their head on each other, freaking, all day. They just boom, boom. They just never learn. They keep the shorts, never learn. They keep shorting, they keep selling, they never learn. Sometimes there's just people like that. We don't need these guys. We don't need this freaking Lehman and DeFarlo. Okay, what the hell kind of a name is that, man? What the hell? These guys, limited liability corporation. These guys, we don't need them. All right, we don't freaking need them, man. We don't need it. They only have 27,000 shares, man. Vanguard in the last freaking filing freaking doubled that, freaking quadrupled that. We don't need these guys. So yeah, that's that, man. All right, man. Here we go. What did I miss? All right, I'm going to go run. Who cares back in March? Yeah, exactly. Who cares? All right, man. Here we go. Man, I wish I had time to make so many videos today, but I don't. I don't. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna go. To sum it up, if anyone's getting in here right now, all right, we went over a new article today. That was where was it? Did I exit it? Gosh dang it! All right, here, let me get it back here. Is this it? No, that was one of the new ones today. We did get a new article today claiming that Wall Street Bets was about to freaking claiming that we're a meme stock, claiming that Wall Street Bets is maybe gonna adopt Bionano with like a couple different mentions with 0 upvotes, literally. This is absolute bullshit. This is misinformation. It is good that we're getting more publicity. We like more publicity. We want Wall Street Bets to adopt this. It would be a net positive for the stock. I have a video explaining why earlier, and I'm going to make new videos on that, and I'm also going to be posting the Wall Street Bets, trying to instigate that short squeeze, trying to instigate the more auspicious company, or more auspicious opportunity for the company to revolutionize healthcare by getting that global staff adoption, which implies better healthcare, better life expectancy, better life quality in the aggregate for everybody. And the longer and the more Bionano expands, the more the business does what we think it is, the more healthcare is revolutionized. And obviously, we have market manipulation proof. We have short interest of 13% of the shares outstanding. At minimum, we have a 20% of the float is being shorted right now, according to Fintel. But that is based on their 180 million shares. But still, nonetheless, it's still very bullish. The shorts have not squeezed. The shorts have not covered today, according to our data. That kind of sums up what we've been doing today. And also, well, you got most of the people have already know about the chance for parabolic moves in the after hours. That's why we're still streaming today. Right now, I have to end the stream within 30 minutes. Though I have to. Oh, I feel so bad. Right when I end the stream, we're going to dump all the way down to like $7 or $6.50, man. That's what's happened the last 2 times. Oh, God. Oh, man. Also, not to mention Bionano. Let me check the volume here. Do we have 30 million let? Almost 30 million volume. I would love if we could get 30 million volume by the end of the day. That's kind of summing it up for the day, man. That's kind of summing it up. We did have a fair amount of news today. You know, we had some filings. We had some new articles. We had a retweet by Bionano about an old freaking study on May 13th, which I hate when they do that. I mean, I like it, but I want them to drop something new. I know a lot of investors want the company to say something because they haven't in a while. Since what, the 16th? Was that what it was? The presentation that Bionano had, that Eric... I think that was the last new news that we got at all, and that wasn't even news. That was just repeating what we had. We have not got new news in a while. We do have China Sapphire adoption. We have several installations in like Germany and some other places, but you know, we've had no big news. We've had a lot of silence from the company, and that makes us think. And that's what's made some speculation rise as to, you know, something new, silence in preparation for something big, man. All right, so many good questions. Regardless, extremely bullish after hours. Anything above $7 is amazing fish today. Exactly. You hit it spot on, man. I agree completely. As long as we close the day above $7, you know, assuming the Nasdaq's going to do something next week and not absolutely just to go diarrhea on us, which it shouldn't. There is not any big economic calendar events on Monday or even until Thursday or until later in the week for next week. I really like our chances for next week. If we can get Wall Street Bets, guys, I don't want to give you false hope, but I have to say that I don't want to, and I have to say that I could be wrong. But if Wall Street Bets, if one of my posts or one of y'all posts gets a lot of upvotes on Wall Street Bets, dude, I mean, I'm talking, I think a 50% squeeze, a 50% day, 100%, 150. I'm talking thousands of percentages potentially. If we could actually get Wall Street Bets to actually adopt us. I'm serious. And I will hold all of my shares perpetually to avoid the pump and dump claims, and also just to be clear in our goal. Because our goal is to long term give this company a better opportunity, and to get rid of the manipulation, and to prove to the manipulation that they are freaking that next time they think about shorting Bionano and actually increasing the supply artificially, doing their naked shorting, the short ladder attach, right, increasing the failure to delivers, giving out more IOUs in place of actual shares, and intentionally to increase the supply and thus decrease the demand. effectuating the market manipulation, suppressing the stop price lower. The next time they think about doing that, they're going to think twice, right? That's what we're trying to. At the end of the day, that's one of the three big reasons why we're investing and why we're trying to get Wall Street Bets on board, man. All right. By the way, for anyone who has not been with the stream for a while, I have an order set for 10 shares at a $7 limit price. Limit order set right there in the after hours. I'm just trying to do my part, man. And also, by the way, guys, if Wall Street Bets were to adopt our cause, I mark my words right now. I am serious when I say this. You guys know I'm a man of my word, all right? I always show you my portfolio. I always admit my wrongs. I know this sounds a little arrogant, but it's just true. I mean, I still stream on the red days. My OGs know what I'm talking about. I will add all of my buying power left in this account to Bionano if Wall Street Bets were to do anything. I mean, even if we got a couple posts with a couple thousand upvotes, if I think there's a reasonable chance, like a high chance, like I don't know, 50% chance, even 30% chance that Wall Street Bets is going to turn Bngo into their next target, I will YOLO. And not, I mean, I guess it's not really technically a YOLO, but I will YOLO all of this into the freaking stock at whatever price I get to. I don't care what price. I will YOLO all of it. That's how serious I am. That's how serious I am, man. You can't be a leader. You can't, what do you call it? The man who passes the sentence should swing the sword, right? And that's not the best analogy, right? But I'm trying to effectuate. I'm trying to show y'all that I mean what I say. I'm not saying we could go parabolic today just to freaking pump and dump, man. I'm holding my shares and I have legitimate reasoning for what I say. I believe what I say. All right, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna end the stream here though. I'm gonna refill my water and then we're gonna stream for another 15, 25 minutes and then we're gonna get out of here. I'll be back in a second, boys. I'm gonna leave you with this chart right here. I'm gonna leave you on the 1 minute chart. All right. I'm gonna be right back. $720 right now. We lost like 20 viewers. No, Wall Street Bets did not take us to 1 to 15. We didn't really get much Wall Street Bet adoption, man. No, not to my understanding. No. Brandon dumps, Bngo dumps. Yeah, honestly. Oh, man. Y'all don't understand how tired I am. I don't know if my body is just weak or if I'm just not suited for like screaming for hours straight, but I get so freaking tired after freaking streaming for hours. I don't understand it. Oh, man. All right. Let's go, Shabri. Let's go, man. Congratulations to everybody who actually averaged down and bought the dip at 4:30, May 13th, or even today. Play the breakout today, man. Hell yes. Congratulations. You deserve the profits you're taking right now, or you deserve to be in the green right now in a big way. For full transparency reasons, right? I am fully invested in the stock. I own nothing else in this account, and this is my other account is a Roth IRA that I have yet to fund. Transfer. There is money on the way there. That's gonna be my trading account. My meme account, kind of my mess around account, a couple $100. But anyways, congratulations, congratulations everyone, man. Pat yourselves on the back, man. Show yourself some appreciation, man. Celebrate. I want to see some celebration, man. Celebration. We need to enjoy these times while we have them, man. That's for sure. Because if inflation happens, if inflation is going to be as bad as Peter Schiff predicts, it's gonna get bad. But if Wall Street Bets starts investing, if inflation has already peaked, we're going to see $10. Easy, man. On Stock Twits, Moistville was bought by Simon. Yeah, makes sense. Simon is a dogmatic freaking guy that lives in a bubble, man. Exactly, yes. Guys, if you can, Wall Street Bets, posting on Wall Street Bets, that's what you should be trying to do right now today. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Holy crap. Guys, inflation is still going down. 10-year break-even inflation rate is still going down. Holy crap, that's bullish. Dude, if inflation, I don't want to get y'all too excited, man, and this could easily just be a pullback. We've seen 1,000 pullbacks before, right? But if inflation has seriously peaked, I mean, it's already gone up a lot. It technically already has gone up a lot, man. If inflation has peaked, it is over. I mean, everything is going to moon. The entire freaking market is going to moon, man. That's the only reason why the market's not at all-time highs, and interest rates, but mostly inflation. At least I think it is. The reason that I'm still live right now, my friend, is because there's a parabolic squeeze potential right now. And when I say that, it sounds like I'm literally just pumping and dumping. There's a small chance. I think there's probably less than a 5% chance, maybe a 10% chance of us actually getting a parabolic squeeze right now. But the fact that we were up 4% after hours, sustained a volume, technically we don't have much volume, right? Technically, but if you actually look here, the volume is much higher than other stocks, right? We've had much more volume coming in the after hours than Nano Dimension and Microvision, all right? At least based on my rough math, okay? The longer we stay up here, the longer the shorts, the more likely it is for the shorts to cover. And based on the Ortex data that some generous soul shared, where was it here? Right here. Bad form. Thank you so much, my friend, for sharing this. The short interest change is up today. It's up today. I mean, come on, a spade is a spade, man. It's as simple as it gets. It doesn't get any more simple than that. Short interest is higher. Short share availability on Fintel is lower, which means a higher short interest, right? There's less short shares available to short, which means the rest of them have been lent out by the broker already. All right, there's a parabolic squeeze there's a parabolic squeeze on the horizon. I don't know if it's going to happen today. I don't know if it's ever going to happen. I don't know if I'm going to be wrong and we're going to get delisted. Okay, I don't know anything. I would be lying to you if I told you I knew what would happen, right? I don't know. But the stars are kind of aligning, and the perfect storm is kind of brewing. I'll say, I just say that. And also, by the way, I don't want y'all to be super disappointed if we don't go and close the day at $7.24 or freaking $8. As long as we close the day above $7, we have a huge opportunity this week. It's all my Bionanians, all the community members. I want y'all to hear this and understand this. Please do your part in participating in the Wall Street Bets awareness. We need to increase. Okay, screw what happens today. We want Wall Street Bets to invest. We want them to pump. We want to pump it and return the company to its fundamental value. We want the manipulation and the manipulators, the market makers, to get absolutely screwed over. The short interest is high. The cause is there. The fundamental value is there. Everything is there, man. Everything is there. We just have to put it out there. We're going to freaking squeeze, man. Who doesn't want to squeeze? Come on, man. It's as simple as it gets. As simple as it gets, man. Bngo news only. Yeah, I saw this. We already went over this. I think. Yeah, let me just make sure. Let me make sure this is the exact same thing. Yep, exact same thing. Yeah, we already covered it. Yep. How do you do your part? Okay, this is how you do your part, my friend. Reddit. Okay, and I'm gonna have posts. You guys, there's a couple different things you do. Number one, stay up to date with the channel, because I'm gonna have my Reddit posts. I'm gonna link them for y'all to go upvote and give your feedback on. You need to go, once we do that, y'all need to go upvote that and comment and whatever. Okay, do as much as you can, commenting, pumping, everything. Okay, and this is for a natural. I can give you the spiel for why this is a good cause at the end here if there's people that don't think it's a net positive. So that's what you want to do. You want to stick with the channel for the video tomorrow, most likely. Maybe Sunday at the latest. God damn it, my family came at the worst time possible. Literally, they came at the worst time possible. Literally the worst time possible. But whatever. I love them. It's great. I'm thankful for what we have here. But yeah, I'm going to be posting on Reddit. I'm going to be posting on Reddit tonight. Yeah. Okay. I might not have a ton of videos, but I'm going to have time to do a couple videos on the Wall Street Bet thing, because that's the most important. Number two, what you can do is post your own Wall Street Bet posts, attempting to, not in a salesman-like way. And if you're a beginner to Reddit and Wall Street Bets and you don't know much about the company, I would not do this. But at least go on Wall Street Bets and upvote the Bngo stuff. And you can comment on stuff. Comment Bngo on stuff, and don't be a salesman. Be respectful. Be nice. Don't say stuff that's negative against AMC, okay? Just the obvious stuff. All my OGs, okay, here's what it comes down to. If you know what you're doing, okay, there's 1,000. Bad Form, Bngo, right? Brennan, Boomstick, right? All my OGs, right? There's 1,000 of them, right? I mean, literally, I'm missing, okay, all my OGs that know what they're doing in the stock market. You guys are the ones that I want to go, and you guys need to go make some freaking posts, man. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just say, here's an idea. Why Bngo should be the next target. Why Bngo is primed for a squeeze. Or you can just be really innocuous. This is probably the safest bet. Bngo is undervalued. List some reason why we're undervalued. And then sneakily add in subtly short interest very high. I'm YOLOing in this amount tomorrow or Monday, right? I mean, dude, that's all it takes. That's all it takes. We get a couple of those, 1,000 upvotes, dude. It's done. It's done. Market manipulators will be screwed. They will cover. The shorts will cover. We will squeeze. It's going to get $10 a share next week if this happens. That's my prediction. Maybe more. Maybe more. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I feel like this weekend for Bionano, I'm literally going to be up maybe till like 1 a.m. tonight. I swear to God, I am going to do everything in my power to make as good as Wall Street Bets and the best Wall Street Bet post as possible, man. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, man. I'll say it again. The short interest is high. The fundamental value is better now than it's ever been. We've already went up today. We've already got the FOMO coming in. The greed is in. We got to take advantage of this. The Bionanians, the Fellowship Stat, we have to take advantage of this freaking squeeze opportunity. It's a net positive for the stock. People are going to make a lot of money. Market makers are going to lose a lot of money. It is the best thing. It's the greater good, man. It's just better for everybody. Come on. It's as simple as it gets, man. It's a spade is a spade. Come on. Yeah, are we on the auto remove ban list? Because I've heard people say that, but also I've seen posts that have not been removed. So I'm a little confused. Are we on the auto remove ban list for auto remove list for Wall Street Bets? Bngo getting on the Russell 2000. We just got added to the MSCI index, my friend, just now. Just last week. May 27th, 3.5 million shares added at the close. That was largely the MSCI index, small cap index, man. Index funds are adding. Institutions are adding. So Wall Street Bets is adding. Hopefully. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. Half a bottle of Captain Morgan down. Hell yeah. It's time to celebrate, man. It's time to celebrate. I don't care if we close the day at 7. I don't care if we go, if we go parabolic today. Oh my God, I'm going to lose my shit if we go parabolic. The shorts have not covered. If we do close the day above 724 or start gapping up above it, this thing could get parabolic. I mark my words. It could be. You've been warned. I've told you now. If you see this thing running 20% later and you check your phone right before the close, it's because the freaking shorts have not covered. It's because we're holding above 724. The volume is here. The interest is here. The articles are here. Fundamentals are here. Short interest. Shorts have not covered. Everything is aligning. The perfect storm is brewing. But is it going to be today or next week? Is it even going to happen at all, right? Technically, we can go down next week. Next week, it looks great for next week. It looks amazing for next week. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm very bullish for next week, okay? But we could easily go down. And if you're one of those people that are going to whine to me next week, please sell now if you're one of those people. Please sell now, okay? There's going to be carnage. There's going to be rough times. There's going to be red. There's going to be times where you may be down. Maybe you have to average down, man. It's all for the long-term goal of being up and making money long-term, also revolutionizing healthcare, also screwing over the market manipulators. You guys know the spiel, man. I'm not going to give you the spiel again. I'm too tired to. I'm too tired, man, at this point. Oh, gosh. All right, we got to end the stream. We got to end the stream, man. We got to end the stream within 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we got to end it. We have to. We have to. Gonna go all in. That's the kind of comments that we need on Wall Street Bets. $8 Monday. Yeah, we will see $8 Monday if Wall Street Bets helps us. Even if they don't, we could. See you, Brandon. Have a good night. Be in charge of the move. All right, Boomstick. Thank you so much, my friend. I'll see you later, my friend. All right, guys. Yep, check Reddit and upvote. Is there new stuff on the Reddit post right now? Let me go to the Bngo subreddit real quick. Guys, don't listen to the people that say they don't want to turn Bngo into a Wall Street Bet stock. Don't do it. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them, man. I've already told you. Oh my gosh, this guy's copying me. Is this guy copying me? Sorry. I guess somebody sent me an email about that guy copying me because he went over the exact same thing I did like after like an hour after. I respect him though. I like him. But what do you call? What was I gonna say? Don't listen to the people on the Bngo subreddit that say that it's gonna natural growth, unnatural growth, man. You guys, it's not. It's good. It's good for the company. It's net positive, man. It's net positive. Oh, we got to end this stream. I'm running out of things to talk about. We don't even have any new articles that I haven't gone over yet. I guess we could go over this one. Do y'all want me to go over this article? This one was yesterday. I meant to go over this one yesterday, but we didn't get to it because it's so long. I am hopefully. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have time this weekend to go over this article. Sometime. Yes, make a post for Wall Street Bets showing the weekly chart and couple it with some DD into the short interest. Remind them AMC started its last run around 5. Yes. Boom. Dude, do that. Somebody do that right now. I am going to do that tonight. I can't do it today. We're doing family stuff right after I end the stream here, but after that, I am posting at the Wall Street Bets. You better bet your ass I'm posting that today, tomorrow, and Sunday. We got to increase the awareness. We got to, man. Come on. We got once in a lifetime opportunity here, man. Once in a lifetime. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Shorts have not covered. Short interest is high. Market manipulation is proven, and the cause is great and fundamentally undervalued, man. It's the perfect storm for Wall Street Bets. It's the perfect stuff. It's the perfect stuff. Somebody please post Wall Street Bet stuff right now, please. Okay, I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna do my part when I can. I'm gonna do more than my part. I'm gonna do a ton this time. I promise you. I promise y'all. Brandon's bladder is the real MVP. No, usually when I go refill the water bottle, I take a quick piss real quick. So, yeah, man. Oh man, post it every day, bro. Yep, post it every day. Yep, I will, man. You have my word. Yes, I will. I will do my best. I will do everything I can. Oh man. I feel like Aragon. Oh, I'm such a nerd, man. I'm such a nerd. Appreciate Brandon. Gotta run. Keep rocking out. All right, Green Monster. Thank you, my friend. See you later, my friend. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna make Wall Street Bet eat bingo for every meal. Yeah, man. Let's end the stream. This is a good place to end, I think. If there's any last minute questions, let me know, and then we're gonna end it here in a second. Peace. All right, Masab. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Yeah, Peru. Also, Peru. Send me an email. It's in the description, or send me the link to the Discord, and I'll post that on all my platforms. All Twitter, YouTube community tab, everywhere. If it's a good Wall Street Bet post, I will spread the awareness. I will upvote it. I will comment everything, man. Everything. What's your Twitter and where's the link for Reddit? Dude, every link that you need is going to be in the description of every single video and live stream. Everything, man. If you just go to this video right here, right? Just go right here. Everything. Must know Bngo information playlist, right? DD. There's the Discord. There's the our subreddit. Just look up if you're new to Reddit and you want to do it, just go to the Wall Street Bet subreddit, man. That's simple as that. Simple as it gets, man. Thank you, Raymond. Thank you, John, Justina. Thank you, guys. I'll see y'all later, man. Thank y'all so much. Twitter is also in the description. Bingo predictions next week. So on Fidelity, there's heavy puts on Bngo. No, that's false. That's misinformation. Let me show you something. Everybody, this is something that's important. The question was, is there heavy puts on Bngo? No. The institutional put-to-call ratio has only gone down, signaling that there's more calls than puts in the last few days. Signaling, ape language, there's more bulls from institutions, according to the put-to-call ratio on the stock, right? The lower this ratio is, that means the more calls there were, right? If this thing was 0.1, that would mean there's basically 0 puts. If this thing was like 1.5, that would mean there's a ton of puts, right? That's just how this indicator works. The lower it is, the more calls there are. And this thing, and you can see the last few days, there's just more calls, and it's for good reason. The squeeze has not even started yet. That's why, okay? Some of the institutions are catching on for once, maybe. Bngo predictions for next week are, I think we're going to see $8 and $10 and $15 if Wall Street Bets adopts us. At least $8, at least $8, if not $10 minimum next week. But otherwise, it's dependent on the markets. But still, we are very bullish. I would not be surprised if we do end up breaking out above 724 next week. 811. That's the next level. All right, where do we think we will be after the squeeze? If Wall Street Bets does help us squeeze, it's gonna be freaking. Oh man, look at that beautiful candle right there. Look at that candle right there, man. Is this thing gonna start running after we end the stream? Hell, whatever. I don't care. At this point, I got to end this. I have to go at this point. So, all right, man. I have to go. Thank y'all so much, man. Stick around for the channel. Make sure you guys stay updated with the channel for the Wall Street Bet video, man. Please do your part on Wall Street Bets. Please, I'm telling you, it's a net positive. It is. I swear to God, it is. Anyways, with that being said, let's get out of here. Great way to end the weekend. Hell yeah, man. Thank y'all so much. Let's get out of here. Congratulations to everyone for Bionano. Let's get out of here. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.